Yeah, I don't know. Chat, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Nothing changed. That's weird. It's whatever. We're just keep rolling. I think it's a YouTube problem today. It's fine. It's all good. Nothing happened yet, right? GG and Gold are still good. Yeah. Is the third one? Yeah, this is the third stream. I don't know. That's alright. What up, Paul? I didn't see you there. My bad. I was lost in the sauce.
What's up, my dude?
What up, man? Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened, but hey, no big deal, right? Or Essentials watching before? It's fine. They'll come back. They'll make their way back. Don, just invite to the Zoom. How about new? There, guys. So that was a waste of a stream, I guess. Whatever. Okay, so where were we? We're talking about gold. I did my breakdown on GJ and gold. So if you guys missed the breakdown, I guess just go back to the last stream. So I'm just gonna put that here. Go back to last stream for breakdown. All right. Don't schedule it. It's not scheduled. Hold on. Customize channel. Yeah, it's literally not scheduled. I usually don't have scheduled stuff. I don't know. Trying to see what's up. Shareable link, details. Live stream. I don't know. It's alright. Alright, so where were we? We were here, right? So we're discussing gold. GG sells today below 159,516. So sells will be below here. Closure. And I guess you can say gold buys will be above like 1936 here. So this hourly candle closed there. What I will say that is the hourly candle did close within this range here. So we did close above this area, and you can see that every time price either rejected that level or closed above, price was able to make its way up towards the top of the range here. So last time price closed above, pushed up towards top of the range. Same thing happened here, huge rejection, pushed up top of the range. Same thing happened here, pushed up, happened here, pushed up. So this range should get filled at 1936 here. Pretty nicely. I was looking for more of a steeper bottom wick here. If we could have came down to like these levels down here at 1931 and then flip bullish, you can look for bias going up towards 1936. It's gonna be like a 25 pit range going up on gold there, so it's not bad. But yeah, I mean, if it drives, it drives. Let's say it might just drive it because we did break the highs of this candle just now, and this thing might just rip up towards this resistance and then make its way slowly up towards these levels up here. So Gonna be quite interesting. Let me turn off. Why is my stream scheduled? Video manager. I don't know. Don, would you have entered gold on London? All those 30-minute candles had no lower wicks or straight bullish volume. Yeah, I was looking at London earlier. Like by the looks of it, this is so much volume. Like I don't think price had enough time to come down to create those liquidity wicks. It just kind of just pushed up every single candle, right? So with volume, yeah, positions could have been taken on these pairs. Probably like you could have some nice positions right here. This is like the 330 candle, I think, or 4 a.m. candle, 430 candle. That was a pretty nice position. I'm not sure if I would have entered these ones. I don't think I would have because no bottom wicks maybe. But these ones up here, these are valid up here. This one was kind of valid up here. But yeah, looking back at it, yeah, I guess I can say I would have entered here if I were to be in, but I would have got out somewhere over here. I wouldn't have held. I would have gotten at 23 and got out at like 28, 27. And that was it. That was the only bad position I saw. Yeah, this kind of should ride up here. This hourly kind of looks like it's not going to slow down. It just broke 30-minute highs, 15 highs there. Looks like we should just push up towards the 1936.900 pretty easily here. It's all right. You have more buys above 37, I believe it is. GJ4 flipped, yeah. So the 4 has flipped here. So this 4 kind of closed bearish here, right? So there's a slight possibility we may drive down today. This 4 count should flip down towards the support level, but the question is like, what's gonna happen down here? Like, are we going to break below 159.516, or is price going to reject to continue back up, right? Because here's the thing: the daily candle has no top wick, right? So it changes the whole perspective on GJ today. And like with what we mentioned yesterday about the news you got going on today, today's gonna be a very choppy day for gold. So for GJ, like yesterday were your pretty easy buys, like stack buys all day yesterday, and then today is gonna be choppy, and then the day after today, which is tomorrow, should be a lot cleaner for GJ. You should have more sort of a direction tomorrow, because GJ, as we tap that data resistance day target, it doesn't know what it wants to do yet, right? So it was kind of difficult where we close. It's like we close right at resistance, you didn't close above, or you didn't close bearish, rejecting it just yet. So tomorrow should be a lot cleaner. You should have more sort of a direction yesterday. But yeah, I'm open to sells today. You have a range 2 breakout, and the only time we do go against the bias is if you do get a range 2 breakout, and that's what we're looking for today. Show your spreadsheet right here. So I think we updated the record if I'm not wrong. 28 wins on these are stream trades, by the way. So 28 wins, 5 losses, 6 break evens on the stream this year. January was kind of February picked up, and then March has been pretty nice. Did I update the word weight? Yeah, I did. 28 pips yesterday. Is stream down? No, it's not. It's up. It's YouTube being buggy. I don't know why. I mentioned the title too. We are live or something, so people don't question it. We are. We're live. Come. Restart machine. It's fine. I should restart my whole hardware. It's fine. It's not. It's YouTube, I think. Who's the new guy in Zoom? He's not new. He's been here for a while. It's Paul. Paul from chat. Remember Paul? I think he moved himself though. Disable VPN. It's not my VPN. I don't have VPN on. How do you keep your winners bigger than losers when you hold trades to stop loss but take partials at only 10 pips? We don't always hold. Here's the thing, like a lot of people think because we had that one trade on Friday that I hold every single trade to stop loss. We manage risk, right? But we don't manage risk impulsively. Like we used to manage risk impulsively in 2020, 2021. We'd be like, oh, well, as the 15 is closing, breaking the lows here, we should take off half risk or take a full risk. It's like, yes, it's valid. That way of managing risk is definitely valid. But in 2021, we realized that, well, managing risk that way led to a lot more losses because what would usually happen is price would usually play out with our price action. So we ask, okay, well, how does price play out with the price action every time we break those 15 lows, 30 lows, and we don't manage this impulsively? And it's because it depends on where price closes, right? Think about it this way: if you don't take positions if you don't take impulsive positions, what's the point of managing risk impulsively? For instance, like let's say you take a sell here, right? Let's say you take a sell right around here. Price close below the range, you take a sell. You're taking the sell here off the hourly candle. So you know for a fact that the hourly candle, as it closes below this next hourly candle, should ride down towards the next support. And it should come down like this, right? But the issue here becomes, well, what will your stop loss be? It will probably be this candle. This is the most logical stop loss. So whenever I'm on a stream and I say, well, we can't use the most logical stop loss and we gotta use a current stop loss instead. Whenever I kind of say that, I mean by this, this is what I mean. I mean like we gotta use the current candle stops because the most logical stop loss might be too big for us, right? But this stop loss it makes the most sense because at any given time we can break the current candle high, break 30-minute highs, 15 highs, but still respect this high. So probability wise, there's a higher probability that we respect this high to drive down and respect the current high to drive down. But yeah, that's why we don't really manage risk impulsively. And yeah, you can be breaking 15-minute highs, right? 30-minute highs, but the 1 hour is still respecting the overall high in general. I'll show you guys what I mean when we get a better scenario on it. Damn, you tell me this whole stream today I might have questions about the stream being down. Do you guys not hear the stream? You guys do, right? I don't know why it's so weird. It says 792 watch and it says we're live. I don't know. Let me go on Twitter. Yo.
Morning.
What up?
Could not see the stream.
I know, it's so weird.
I didn't know you were. I didn't even think you were live. I thought you were still messing with it.
No, I'm live. Should I just restart my whole PC, man, for the third time?
I don't know. You got 800 people.
Is YouTube down?
Might be a YouTube problem.
Oh my gosh. I think it's a YouTube problem. Like I restarted my, I didn't restart my PC, but I restarted my browser I closed all tabs. I closed my OBS. I restarted that, and then I don't know. How'd you come on stream then? How did it work for you? You just clicked on it?
I didn't. That's what I see when I click it. I still can't go on the stream and like, well, I can't read chat or anything. I can read chat, but I can't see the video.
I mean, who cares? Fuck it. If you're here, you're here. If you're here, you're here today. You know, it's if you're not here, you're not here. It's I don't know what to tell you.
Exclusive stream.
Yeah.
Someone said loyal viewers. It's not about being the loyal though. It's that it like doesn't show up for some people. Like I can't even. I wouldn't be able to watch the stream right now if I didn't have the Zoom.
Like, what is this? No, you can. You can on if you click on a certain link, but some links don't work. It's like it's just waiting for control effects. Like this usually says live and it shows my stream here. Like,
yeah, I see the thumbnail and then I can read the chat live. So weird. Oh, it's good. I got it. Finally.
Auto stop. What's an auto stop?
It's probably just a YouTube server thing.
Enabling auto stop will automatically stop the stream when you stop sending data from your stream software. I don't know. I did everything I can today. What should I name the title? Refresh to join? YT buggin. This just sucks. Sorry, chat. Hello technical difficulties. Don't want your leverage. 1 to 500 leverage. Notification bell. That's all right. Let's move on, chat. Let's move on. We all know the stream works, all right? Let's just move on. Did you have us muted? Oh, because you unmuted yourself earlier. Yeah, chat. So where were I talking about? Okay, so yeah, GJ here. GJ here has like, yeah, was that you who mentioned it? The WAP play? Was that you or someone else? On your alley here, which GJ should be coming down now. It looks like it should be coming down to fill these ranges to the left here. You have some minor support here. There's no sells for me just yet. I'm gonna simply wait to see if we can break below 159, 159.516 here. Just big news today. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna push you down for us to drive up later on in the week. I'm pretty sure that's what's gonna happen here. Yeah, you have a speech at 8 a.m. Okay, pin a top to refresh. If your stream isn't working, just Oh wait, wrong link. How you feel, Marcus? What day you on COVID?
Like day three, yeah, 3 or 4. Feel better actually. This is the best I've felt.
What? The best you felt during the COVID times?
Yeah, since
Oh,
yeah.
I'm
It's
like,
the
what do you
best
mean
I've
this is
ever
the
felt.
best you ever felt? I'm like, what's wrong with this guy? I'm like, what's wrong with this guy?
Superpowers.
Yeah.
I chugged I might order some more. I had 2 Gatorades a day for the past couple days, like Gatorade Zeros, just like getting electrolytes down. That helped a lot.
Nice.
Yes, I can taste and smell food, thank God. And then smacking Chipotle bowls. I don't really have any crazy symptoms.
Introducing
I thought you were kidding. See, it's because I'm like the boy who cried wolf. I joke about it for the past 2 years.
I never had it. I don't know if I had it. I think I had it. I don't know if I had it like in December, January for like 5 days.
Yeah, this is my first time. But I don't know. I think I got the Omarion variant.
Hey, Omarion, yo guys, we got the bottom wick on his hourly counter here. So next stop is the next 4-hour bottom wick here. If we can actually create that bottom wick. If we can create that bottom wick down here at 1925.559 here, that'd be good for us to drive. Or even if we close below here, because most likely if you close below the hourly counter here, you're breaking below the support level, and then you can maybe catch sells at the ADM candle. So I prefer 1 hour candle close, to be honest. And then if you close below, tick sells coming down. The range going down is roughly like 4 to 5 pips. But since the daily is biased, right? The daily is biased. Since the daily is biased and you're starting to flip bearish now on the daily, you're starting to reject this resistance. This is a top wick for a daily, and there's a high possibility that we might end up doing something like this for the day. We might end up flipping bearish and driving down. So I will be open to taking sells today, obviously, but you need to close below that range first, I believe. 30-minute range isn't bad, but preferably the hourly candle, since the hourly is this is an hourly support here. The last thing I want to do is take a 30-minute closure below and have something like this happen. Close below, draw back up. So it's off the hourly looks a bit different. Off the hourly, that never happened. We never closed below before in those levels. So let's see what happens. The bearish is daily. Yeah.
the bearish is biased daily. The bearish is daily bias.
The bearish is daily.
The bias is COVID.
How many viewers do you have right now?
It shows me 1.
9. Yeah, 936 watching. Let me just post on my IG real quick.
Mine says just 1 waiting. Hey.
Hey. I can't pronounce your name. Kiran? Kiran?
Kieran.
Kiran?
Unless it's
Damn, your name is tough. If you order from Starbucks, good luck having your name spelled correctly. they're gonna put like Kiren. What is it? What would you say earlier? You're right. She said, or he said.
Kieran. It's the you say it like the way it's spelled with a K, just
right.
Just be there.
You go to Starbucks, it's over.
Your mom or dad wanted to be different. They just put a different letter in the front.
Like I remember Keelan, he came on the stream. I was like, damn, I can't even pronounce his name. Not sure. Let me post this my IG. Yo, you had any trades last night or nah? You went to bed with Wix. Went to bed with Wix. That didn't sound good.
I caught gold sells with you guys at Asian before the gambling started.
Oh yeah, Marcos, for some reason, yes, they just started a gambling addiction for some reason. Some degenerate gambling too. It wasn't even like gambling, it was degenerate gambling.
No addiction.
Nah, it's just some Ethereum change, right, Marco? Some gas fee change, nothing crazy, right?
Yeah. Leftovers.
Yeah, leftovers. Oh wow, GJ closed. Gold closed right at the support level here. Yeah, yo guys, but like it's crazy because like he's playing on his site, right? And it had charts. It had live charts, but it wasn't GJ Gold. It was Ethereum, and it's like you could predict each candle. I'm like, yo, this is actually insane. If you can add gold or something, that would be pretty cool. It's like you're trading on basically a site, a third-party site, with no commissions, no spreads, none of that. Just guess the candle. It goes up, you make money. It goes down, you lose money. That's it. That's it. It's like wait for a 30-minute starter play every time. Boom. Wait for a closure above the range. You're good. It's kind of cool.
Money.
I don't know what it was.
It was like a bet. It was like bet if the price would go up or down.
Yeah. That's kind of cool. I mean, I'm not gonna get into that, but like it was like, whoa, what the hell? Yeah, no leverage though. No leverage. You're just gambling. You're just playing with whatever account. No, it wasn't binary. It was I don't know, like a what's it called? Some.
I don't even know what it was.
Oh, something like some site.
There you could add leverage if you wanted. You could add leverage.
Man, that's some degenerate shit though. No, the worst one, Marcus, when you played the soccer one. That was the most degenerate one I've seen.
Rigged. It was so rigged.
Super rigged. Yeah, I think so, Reza. Something like that. 4-hour has no lower wick. Yeah, we might get that. It's because look at the 4-hour candle. We never closed above these ranges here, so we're still in between these areas here. This thing is still dip down, create a bottom wick, and stay within this range here. So that's why I'm pretty open to sells, especially if the 1-hour candle in about 25 minutes close below the support here. But wait for it, okay? Wait for it. Wait for this thing to close, because last thing you want to see is this candle come down, create a bottom wick for this candle, and just drive back up. Don't cry. See, I got it down. I got the song down. Where was the gold sell? Oh shoot, sorry, no, that was from yesterday. That was from yesterday's session. If you guys missed that on stream, my bad. I was kind of dealing with a lot of YouTube errors this morning. A lot of issues on YouTube. Stream won't work. It does work. Just click the pin message. Oh, sorry. Below. Yeah, I'm gonna need chat to work with me today. A little off of YouTube. Bro, GJ? Yeah, GJ should continue down here. should continue down. This range going down is not bad. I was waiting for this. That's no. I was waiting for his range to break out below 159, 516 here, but we did close below here. This thing should look like it should drive down here. It's a 20 pip range going down, but at this point, I'm gonna wait for the alley candle to close. And if we can maybe even retrace and then close below here on the alley, that'd be nice because you can take sales coming down towards 159, 516. But below 159, 516, you're gonna have, I guess, clean traffic until. Man, I don't even know where. I guess here. This is your next support. 158, 800. It's not bad. Stream not working? It does. Search up control FX on YouTube and there should be a link directly to it. It looks like it's working now though, for some reason, but it doesn't show my concurrent viewers still. But it looks like the thing is finally playing. So I mean, it should be fine now, but I don't know. Looks good from my end. Yeah, guys, sorry about the stream, but if you guys missed the breakdown this morning, just go back to the last stream. The last stream was done like before the stream started. It was like I think it was where's my stream? Oh, it was somewhere here though. It was definitely here. It was like a 5-minute stream or something. 10-minute stream. Just go watch that. Any NFT projects that Marcos is hyped for? Yeah, he's super hyped for book games right now. Book game NFTs are the shit, right, Marcos?
Yeah.
Yo, book pills. Book games reminds me of bio pills, no, Marcos?
Well, you're trolling so hard.
Yo, taking some. How much? What's the bio pills inventory? 10K.
I think it's 10K.
Yo, taking 10K. How much floor? One ETH? 0.90.
1.5.
1.5 floor, right? 10K inventory. Yo, Bookings has 100K inventory. 0.50 floor. Come on, that's crazy.
It's like a
They got 10 times the inventory, man.
You're such a troll.
Hey, man. I mean, you bought the books, Marcos. Yo, remember you kept telling me to buy CryptoPunks?
I told you to buy apes. These are $5. You ever give those away?
No, I haven't had time to give them away yet. But I need to drop that at a library or something. Or I might just give it away on
Give them away on the street.
Yeah, but then I gotta pay for shipping and like, man, I'm not trying to pay $100 shipping from like the middle of Asia. If I send it to like, Asia, it's like $100 shipping for a book. It's like, man, what am I gonna do with that? You know, like, whoa. It's like if I give away the books, you gotta pay for shipping. But then again, like the book's like $20 on Amazon probably right now. So like, just fucking buy the book, right? So I just might as well donate them to a local charity or something.
Bro, this GJ was so clean.
Yeah.
Mad that I missed it now. Not really mad, but that looked like a move.
No, yeah, it was nice. Like from 6 a.m. the sales were pretty solid.
Basically an onion.
Yeah.
4-hour top wick flip.
Chow, I'm pretty sure we'll get positions. There's tons of volume right now, but just simply wait. I'm just trying to lock it in right now, and YouTube's kind of just mind-boggling me. Yeah, so the reason why I want sales below here is because like, just treat this as a range down here, right? So this is a range, and this is also another range. and then this is another range, right? So as you break within these ranges, it's like every time you break within the range, you could come down to fill the next range, especially if you're going with the buy. So same thing will happen here. If price were to break back into this range, we're most likely gonna fill the range, right? Because overall, every time we kind of broke down within the range, came down, filled it, right? Closed bearish, came down, filled it, closed bullish, came up, filled it, right? So this range is pretty solid. Same thing here, same thing here. So same thing should happen here once this hourly candle closes below here. If it does in 20 minutes, it should come down to tap like 1923, and the range going down is like 50 pips, right? And if you're not comfortable with that range and you want to wait for more so of a strong confirmation, your more conservative, well, this is already conservative, but your more conservative entries would be on the break of 1923 instead. Because if you break below 1923, I believe the forward candle would then be flipping bearish. And since this forward candle right here never closed bullish above this resistance, it closed kind of within this range here. At any given point, this forward candle could just flip bearish and drive back down to retest the lows at 1920, right? Especially since it has no bottom wick on this forward candle. So sells below there wouldn't be bad if you want to take sells below there, below 1923 to 1917 levels. But I believe this would be a decent sell that I'm going to take here, below 1928. But you know, when I'm in, or if I get in, I'll obviously let you guys know. And you guys will see on my screen. Nice trade, Marcos. You got that? I see you.
No.
I see that. 5 lot. Nice. Close half 10 pips. Runners to TP. Nice.
Low.
Yeah, this is good. It should come down here. Should for the rest of the range for 20 pips here. If you guys caught that, congrats, WW. Thoughts on BTC? Bullish long term. Just hold, just buy. If here's the thing with crypto, it's like if you're not looking to intraday trade it, then just hold it. It's like, what's the point? Like, what's your bias on Bitcoin? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? If you're bullish, just hold it. It's like, it doesn't matter if you get in at 30k, 10k, 15k. It's like, just hold it anyway. If you're expecting price to go up and Bitcoin's like 100k, 200k in the near future, just hold it for like the next 10 years. There's no need to find the best sniper entry. Like, what? Like, let's say price does go to 200k. What's the difference in your entry if you were to be at 40k versus 45k versus 50k? What's the $10 difference for you, or a 10k difference? Right? There's no need to be in the mix like that. Just buy, hold, and close your eyes for the next 10 years. That's it. But if you want like a day-to-day analysis, I mean, I can give it to you right now, I guess. But here, BTC USD. All right, some of your guys' favorite pair after 5 p.m. on a Friday. So, I mean, looks like we are just in this weird daily range here, and you haven't gotten a closure outside this range here. I believe the weekly, if I'm not wrong, or daily, if I'm not wrong, is bullish though. So if we flip bullish on the daily here, we may come up to fill his wick and tap like 4,400. But what are you gonna do with that information? Are you gonna scalp it now? It's like, I mean, the monthly is bullish here. If flip bullish at one given point, started to reject, it's still below this resistance. So we're just in this range from here to here. It's gonna be very choppy here, and we might range here for a couple of days to even months here before we get a breakout. But yeah, it's Bitcoin is just, you know, what you're gonna do, take a 30-minute start play, you know, on Bitcoin. Still haven't been able to get into the stream, unfortunately. Yo, just Biggs, just click the link and then just refresh it, or just search Control FX on YouTube and then click on the link. It should work. Should be goody. Just go on YouTube and then search up like, I don't know, Control FX, and then
he'll
that,
be able to hear you, right? If you can't watch the stream,
that should work. Oh, he can't hear me.
Yeah.
All right, someone tell him, go search up Control FX on YouTube on the search bar, and a link should pop up. Yeah, you're right. How is he supposed to hear me? You know, that's yeah, that's some selling gold on a bullish day. That's selling gold on a bullish day.
This whole YouTube issue's got the brain fried. Me too. I can't even think straight.
Fuck it, just don't even think about it. It's like, it's just a stream, right? What's the worst thing that happened? We cash 10 pips, they don't. All right, That's the worst thing that can happen. Follow these steps. One is search up follow this step. Doing one step. I mean, if you guys made it here, you guys are rare ones. So, leave a like on the stream if you guys are enjoying the stream content so far. Yeah, so I hope nobody attempts these sells here just yet on this 30-minute candle because it gets a bit tough here, a bit tricky here. You gotta keep adjusting here. Chat, we have a new DVS logo in the making. I'm excited. It has a lot of meaning to the logo too. It's not just like a regular logo that has like a bullish candle and like a bow and a bear, you know. It's a nice ass logo. And it has to do with trading in a way. We kind of incorporate trading and like everything else we like. Yeah, is there some Web3 on the logo too? There's like everything on the logo in a certain way. It's kind of dope though. But yeah, it's not your typical logo, chat. Pretty dope. Should be releasing in the next couple of months. Not sure when, but it will be out. It's in the making. It's pretty nice.
Sometime this year.
Sometime this year, it should be out with the website eventually, and all the good stuff, all the merch, and all that good stuff. Same logo for apparel. Yeah. T-Bigs, why are you laughing?
Someone said try changing your processor.
Yeah, you got a new processor, dude.
Yo, devious tattoo?
Oh, nah.
What do you mean now?
Okay, no. I gotta see. You know, because I feel like brand logos, I don't know. Because what if some shit goes wrong? What if some shit goes...
That's the point. You can't go wrong. Once you commit with your body, you will be forced to make it work.
All right, so get it on your head. You know, Lil Uzi Vert once said, I got tattoos because I didn't want to work a real job. It's like, just don't work a real job. Bro, Lil Uzi said, yeah, I got tattoos because I don't want to work a real job. I want to be a rapper. It's like, or someone said that, I think a Lil Pump or something. But it's like, yo, why don't you just not work a real job and be a rapper about tattoos like your head?
They said better than the Pamela hoodies at home.
But Tyler, wait, Tyler, why are you laughing, Tyler?
I'm chill, Tyler.
Tyler said better than the Chop Bella hoodies. I hope. That's funny, man.
I did meditate this morning. Matter of fact.
Where are the Chop Bella hoodies? Oh no, there's still why is there a Nightbot command for that? I gotta delete that. Chat, don't click on the Nightbot command. It's not a real command, you know. It's just a scam link. It's not good. Delete these merch hoodies. Thanks you for the stream. Just amazing, best stream ever. Let's go, guys. Hey, good morning trading. Thank you. Much love, man. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, we try to balance things out, right? A lot 80% seriousness and like 20% fun. Try to balance things out. GG breakdown, I did one already this morning. I'm looking for sells below 159.516 here, coming down towards like 158.826. I mean, I'm bullish on a daily, but you just have no top wick, so I'm open to range 2 sells, and range 2 sells would be below here. So that's why I'm open to sells right now. I think mobile users on the YouTube should be working fine. Like, I don't think that's an issue at all. It's just more so on the browser side. Do you trade indices? No, I don't. I used to trade US30, but not anymore. Haven't traded US30 in about a year now, a year and a half. So if I do trade a US30 like next year or whatever, like I'll probably just back test on stream, or if not back test, forward test on stream for a couple months before I actually start trading again. But like when I trade US30 again, you have to see it. You have to see it in my watch list. My watch list is right here. I'll add to the watch list, and then should be good. Yeah, you have like a speech chat in about 10 minutes here on pound and dollar, so just be aware of that. I think Fed Chair Powell's can talk about like I think he's talking about the interest rates, right? They're gonna discuss the interest rates, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna discuss what they announced. So like the other day they announced they're gonna increase rates to 0.50%, right? So that's what they should be talking about today in the little speech they have at 8 a.m. here. I'm not sure how long it'll last. I think it should last like a good like 15-20 minutes, and then you have like the interview questions afterwards. But yeah, just be aware of that if you're trading gold right now. I truly believe that if we close, inflation basically, if you close within this range here, what might happen is you might just range here for quite some time here, because there's no real direction afterwards, right? It's like you're closing bearish within the range here. You may come down to fill the wick here, to fill this wick, the next candle, but it's like, are we gonna break the support, or are we gonna reject? So wait for news to be over with. So probably 8:30, you might get pushed positions at 8:30 instead, below. Please, can we enter GG now? I mean, if you're begging, please, you might as well just enter yourself, because it seems like you really want to enter right now. No, you wait. I'm waiting for sells below 159.516. But if your analysis states that you should enter now, then you enter now. You follow your analysis, right? Fuck my analysis. This is just my analysis. But if you want to enter GSLs, and enter it. I'm just gonna wait for closures below 159.516 there, or 159.516. That's it. Can't believe Wix thinks he can just not hop on stream. Yeah, Wix, where is he?
You're fired.
Wix 9, that DVS contract. My God, delay it. that DVS contract ain't looking good.
The whole PC just explodes.
He didn't hear us too. He has his raw off. How do you even hear us? He just knew. He just felt it.
I definitely heard the YouTube.
I heard DVS contract something.
He's like, DVS contract. I gotta come back.
Nah, these headphones are loud as shit. I had them. They're on. They're like off me, but they're like speakers.
I used to have those. I still have them actually.
Like this. It's like walking around with a boombox.
Yeah, I still have my headsets. Like, this is
Put
the
'em on my
OG.
shoulders. I go
But-
to the beach.
Yeah, but you know, now we leveled up. We got the AirPod Max now. Marcos, where are yours? Do you return them?
My headphones?
Marcos return them after every podcast.
And gets a new pair after every podcast.
I don't need them for the stream because I could. I like the freedom to just like get up and walk over there. I don't need them on my head because I can hear you guys.
Oh yeah, you're
Needed them
right.
for the logo. That's why you needed
I
them.
got them right here. My little carrying case.
Your
them.
little bra, nice.
Nice $600 paperweight.
Yeah, me too, man. I got the same case.
Cute. Wick's moving like one bougie light skinned chick. Oh shit.
Wow, GJ.
Did you bring them to London, Marcos?
My headphones? Of
Yeah.
course.
Bro, they felt good in the airplane, didn't it? Noise cancellation? Holy
Yeah,
shit.
no crying babies, nothing. No people, no
No.
flight attendants. For an 8-hour flight, it was good.
No girl.
Yeah, I downloaded a nice long podcast. I downloaded lo-fi so I could read, so I could sleep. It was good.
Nice. You watch some anime?
Nah, I only had one Joe Rogan podcast and then like a lo-fi like 20-hour thing so I could read and sleep. And then they had movies on the thing. I watched Suicide Squad.
Oh, number 2?
Yeah,
Bro,
the second version with
That was mad funny.
with John Cena.
That was mad funny. That was
Yeah.
I think it was better than number 1.
It was definitely better than number one.
I watched it in theaters, it hit different. I watched it at home though, after I'm like, I don't know, this doesn't hit different.
The first one, this guy kind of got carried by Harley, but the second one was
It was
fire.
funny. It was balanced though. The polka dot man and like
Yeah, it was funny.
the shark. Was the shark in the first one?
No, the shark was the funniest one.
Yeah, that guy's like, I love the shark. Are we looking to buy GJ? No, there's no buys for me until you have until you break above 160. Range 2 breakout, right? If you missed Shibu Inu in 2020, go look at Pongo Inu while it's still early. I hate when people say that. It's like, did you miss this? Go do this. It's still early right now. The floor price is 0.10. Well, man, the floor price is 0.10 for a reason.
The next board ape.
It's the next Bored Ape Yacht Club. Oh, man. Hey, I'm in finally. Hey, how'd you get in? Tell the rest of the stream how you got in. T Biggs.
What's the secret?
Yeah, what's the secret?
He snuck in.
He snuck
Back
in.
door.
Back door. Common sense is rare these days. Yeah. Didn't you already break 2 ranges at about 159, 840? Yeah, I'm looking for sells below 159, 516. I'm open to sells. Yes. But you need a closure here first, right? So let's see if this hour candle closes below or not. You have about 2 minutes left. My issue here is that you have a speech here as well. So in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes here.
Where the hell is our stops gonna be? 1 hour?
It'll be current candle stops of this next candle. But let's see if we even close below here, because I don't think we're gonna close.
You can use previous via like 50 to 100 via 2 to 1.
Is there really 50 pip stops? No, 30 pip stops. Oh,
no,
the
no.
hourly.
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
I also have my support way down at 158.1.
Let's see.
50. Okay.
I'm looking to use 30-minute stops. I think that's pretty valid.
Yeah.
It's not bad. But let's see, because that's top. It should be created around there. Let's see if we can close below. just closing, reopening. Yo, but the two bigs, the pin message didn't work for you. Like if you just search a control FX on YouTube, does not work. Go like this on YouTube. You go control FX, and that should work now.
Yeah, for an hour and a half. That's love.
That's much love right there, man. All that for 10 pips, eh? All that for a closure below the range.
That's right, you show up to work. You get paid to refresh. Max Payne would be closing directly at support. That's sick.
That wasn't working. I tried that. Ah, shit. Damn, I don't know. Sorry about that.
What kind of top look would you look for here? It doesn't matter. It's not close above.
Yeah, I don't think it's not close below. Like I think this counts as a rejector, and it might just range till the speech is over. It might just pop back up, tap like 159,900, and range from here to there. And then range for a bit, and then maybe 830 after the speech is over, you should get a move. If you get 30-minute closure below, you should be fine. Because they're close right at support. Yeah, gold here closed kind of disgusting on the hourly candle as well. So it's ADM counter here. It looks like we should just come down to fill this wick. It should, and I'm dropping to fill this wick like this. But if you can get a closure in about 30 minutes here, or even the 15 maybe, 30 would be preferred though. Below 1928 300, you can take sells coming down towards 1923 here. So just be aware of that if you're trading gold today. Just wait for those that counts to actually break out here. Maybe even a little lower. Maybe below here would be a lot better too.
That's what I have.
Below there, right? Because that's off the 30. Because we can't take stuff off the hourly candle. It'll be a 9 a.m. candle. So yeah, there's 30-minute support down here. Let's see. Trying to see. It's like you close below that level so many times, but looking at the most recent support, it makes sense. This is all clean traffic, right? All clean here. That's it. This wick flush should be nice though. How big was that range? 25? Not bad. Yeah, you should pop up here. I think what's gonna happen here, it might spend the first 15 making a top wick, and then maybe 9:30 might get a closure below. Just be aware of news right now. Cookies? Yo, Wix. What time did you go to bed last night?
Bruh.
Over trader?
No. No.
Wix, you know what he said to me? I was doing slot machines with Wix for like a half hour, and I go, I'm going to bed. He goes, I think I'm just gonna roll up a joint, check the charts around midnight, and then go to bed.
Yo, whoa.
Yo, I rolled that joint and I passed the fuck out. It's still sitting right here. I didn't even get to smoke it. I wake up at 4 in the morning. I'm like, damn, there's definitely fucking trading going on right now. I look and there's no trading going on.
What do you mean there's no trading?
There was just moving with no fucking wicks.
Oh. I got you. Yeah.
Just like, what? Like, did you see what the fuck? Look, every single bullish candle had no bottom wick.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was like, what the fuck is going on? When are we coming back down?
That's funny.
How did your meeting go? Was it good?
My meeting with Blueberry?
Yeah.
Blueberries? Like, yeah, yo. They're
I
like,
would've hopped on Zoom eating blueberries.
they're like, yeah, yo, like, you guys, you guys do pretty good for the amount of subscribers. You guys have like 14, 15K, and you guys have 1,000 viewers per stream. I'm like, yeah, I mean, you get like around like 700 to 1,000 per stream. And he goes, yeah, man, that's pretty good. Anyways, referral codes, yeah. So it's like they basically just gave me some type of rebate program. Oh, I gotta link that in the YouTube. New broker, I guess. I wasn't planning to do anything with that, but they offered me. They kept like contacting me, like, yo, just set it up, just rebate it. And I'm like, all right, whatever, I'll do it. So yeah, I got a thing now. I guess this is the broker I use, chat. I guess this is the one I use now. But it doesn't work in Canada, which sucks. I mean, in America, sorry, which sucks. But they said how I asked them, but I'm like, yo, so are you guys ever gonna close down in Canada? One, and are you guys gonna open up in America? They're like, well, I think as regulations get pretty tough, I mean, we'll try our best to hold Canada down because they have a lot of Canadian clients.
Basically,
so
they're not going to the US, and soon they're gonna stop operations in Canada.
Yeah, I don't know, like that I'm afraid that might happen because that's what happened to Vantage FX and IC markets. But I don't know, like I don't know the regulations, I don't know any like other rules for that. But they said the American one, they said it's a huge red line, but they're working on it, and it may come in the next 3 to 4 years. And I'm like, whoa, man, 3 to 4 years. It's a long time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be about 25 years old, 23 years old, 24.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like 25 too.
Oh yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I'll wait.
I'll wait.
I'll wait.
Yeah, and they're like, yeah, like a lot of these US clients are just here using unregulated brokers with 1-500 leverage, which is fine, but it's like kind of sucks. But I mean, I guess it's just regulations, right?
Maybe I'll use a VPN.
Yeah.
How's that? You listen to SEC?
Pardon?
The SEC's listening. I mean, Blueberry
Oh.
is so good. Blueberry, like, if you can use it, use it. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. There's no commission on gold, small spreads, like
That's
$7
just, like,
$7
crazy.
commission on GJ.
Every time you say it, I'm like, what?
Yeah, I know. Don, what is your overall TP on GJ? My next TP is 158823. Like, I'm not gonna have any runners today on GJ because the daily bias is still bullish, but I could see us retracing down to the next near support even today. Who knows? 158, 128. That's the overall TP. But if I'm taking trades on GJ, I'm just gonna take it from range 1 to the next range. Like if I'm taking sells below this range, I'm gonna hold sells until the next support, and that's it. Like I'm not gonna have runners for anything crazy because the bias is still bullish for me. It's just range 2 breakout sells, and I don't know if we're gonna break the day lows. Day lows is all the way down at 157, 199. So you know, it's a bit tricky there. Might break though. The 4 count flip bearish. It's breaking those lows. Technically speaking, the 4 count shows clean traffic now, but preferably wait for this 15-year close or something here, chat. And that part is you can't even scroll left there, man. You can't even go back to left and see what levels we're reacting or rejecting off of. Aside from the 4-hour time frame. But hey, there was resistance here. 165, 257, and we never closed above, right? We rejected it, and looks like we may be heading down towards this next support here. Should basically mirror this candle and mirror this candle. That's the information I have right now on the 4-hour candle. Right, came up, rejected that resistance, popped, came down. So this thing should drive down here. I think you need a third closure. Maybe a 15 is fine. Let's see. I think what I'll do is I'll mark up my 15 minute level zone right here, and if I want a 15 closure, I'll wait for sells below here instead. But if I want a 30 closure, I'll wait for sells below here. That's fine. Cause there's a minor support there. How do you feel, Wix, about that?
I concur.
You concur?
Yes.
Yeah. Like
Marcos, do you concur?
daily no
think
top
we-
way, cause this.
Need a closure, belowsure.
Yeah, 30 below sure. Did Marcus didn't reply to you? How do you feel?
What?
Fuckers.
Someone's asked me something.
Yeah. No, nobody asked you anything.
All right, cool. So you
No,
don't want
not,
I go
no
get
one
coffee.
important.
All right. Yeah.
No one important asked you nothing important. What is that? Is that a mug
What is a mug?
on his chair? What is that a shadow of?
Works 9. I don't know what you see, but I need to see what you see.
Look at the shadow on his chair.
Yeah, it's a drinking cup thing.
He forgot his coffee mug and went to make coffee. We can see your fingers on screen, asshole. Stick to origami.
That's this kettle water bottle. What's the name of the song? Banger. It's called Seagulls by Minsky. Some copyright free track. Some copyright free track. Pretty dope. Pretty dope, I guess. Gold, if a 30-minute candle flips, I will go buy. I don't know if I can go buy. I don't know, man. It's up to you. I'm not looking for buys now. I'm gonna simply wait for buys above 1933. I believe that is the more conservative buys, the much cleaner buys. As you can see, every time price closed above the range again or broke back up, it was able to continue to fill its range here. Or even like the fact that you had a huge rejection here off of this resistance, I believe a closure above here would be more ideal here. I believe so. The 4 can reject that resistance as well. The day time frame is rejecting. The day bias is bearish, right? Initially today, we created a top wick. It didn't break the highs of yesterday's highs. So as you come down, this should just flip the candle, right? So look, the flip of gold is me down here at 1920. So let's go mark this up and change it to like purple, okay? Let's change it to purple. So go back on 30. How is price going to get down to that purple line, that flip on the daily, right? Well, first step that needs to happen is you need a rejection. This was your rejection. Second step, you need a range form. Range form, boom. Third step, you need a closure outside the range. So that's the third step. Once you get that third step, fourth step is you drive down, fill the range. And as you drive down to fill this range, looking left, you're driving down to basically mirror all this clean traffic to the left-hand side. And as price does that, it should flip the day candle, and the day candle should end up somewhere around here at the end of the day. 1918, 1920 levels. And that is what we're going to be waiting for today. Capiche, capiche?
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah. Oh, wow. GJ looking good on the 15 on 30. This is looking good. The question is, wait for the 15 or wait for the 30 here?
I think 15 if you get a nice top wick, and then don't break the previous 15 and then break at the lows.
I think a 15 closure below here, no?
Below that's why I say break of the lows, because I think if we get a wick to there, and then the next candle breaks that wick, there's nowhere to go. There's nothing below there stopping it.
Even the 4-hour time frame, like it literally shows clean traffic right now. Like, what's the daily support looking at? Yeah, because I'm trying to see. I mean, like, look at the daily. Like, even like where did we close? 162.57. We basically respected this resistance, right? This one right here, if I'm not wrong, or somewhere around here, and then we basically just, yeah. I mean, it should drive down towards, like, if anything, it should drive down towards these levels down here at like 158,800 minimum. So that's solid. You have a 50-foot range going down here. Okay, we might get closures in 30 seconds here. Let's get prepared here. Stops from the 15 are gonna be around roughly 35 pips here. And gold, oh wow, gold too. So what are we gonna do here? Gold or GJ?
Whichever one gives a wick.
Gold has a better story to tell because of the daily time frame. But GJ, it's a bullish day. It's a range to breakout.
No bottom wick on GJ.
Gold, I feel like 30-minute below that support at 1927.
Oh yeah, 30.
No bottom wick on GJ.
Oh yeah. So wait for 30 then. Okay, cool.
Both are gonna be waiting for 30.
Yeah.
Made it easy for us.
Yeah, made it very easy. So you just delete this now, wait for a 30 instead. This 30 should pull back, chat. Look, the 15 no bottom wick, meaning that this kind of has a 50-50 chance to go down. It might struggle, might pull up a little bit, and as a post up on a 15 closes bullish, 30-minute candle will give you a wick fill. So wait for a 30 to close, and then same thing on gold.
Should see a pullback here, yeah.
Yep. Capiche.
Whoa.
If it drives, it drives. But let's say it again. All right. I will miss. No, what did I say? I will miss the sells. Wait, is that what I said yesterday?
I will miss the cells.
No.
Really profound.
What did I say yesterday? I said if you guys have FOMO, be like, I will miss this range. I will miss this move. There you go. I will miss this move. Okay. So understand that waiting for this 15, you might miss the move, but say it now so that in 15, if it does drive down, you feel much better because you knew that it was going to drive down.
I like to tell myself, I don't need to come in first place. That's what you see, have like a fat range. You don't need to force it the first possible entry, which would be like that 15 or something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What typically happens here when we close with no wick, we'll drive down. We don't know if we can drive down here, or we'll drive down here, or we'll drive down here, but typically it'll come back up and make that wick. We don't know if this is the level, or if this is the level, or if we're just gonna get 2 pips. That's why we don't enter. You don't know if you're getting 2, 5, 10, whatever, you know, which range, how deep is the wick, but eventually it should come back up and make this top wick. And once it does, it's gonna give us better entry for the 30 somewhere right here.
Probably states that we should retrace a bit before 30. But yeah, like Wick said, like you don't know how far it's gonna come down, so you can come down to like 158,800 and pull back for a 30-minute wick fill. I mean, I'll be fine with that. That's my second place entry. I'm not no cowboy. Right.
Just understand that once we close with no wick, we could still drive down, but we don't know how far we'll drive down before we come back up and close the other way.
Oh wow.
Range.
15 didn't break the highs. If it flips bearish here, it might just pop down.
It's a nice pullback.
Yeah, man, that's a 30-minute candle. I'll be in 100%. 100p. $30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Look at GJ on the 30. Just look left. There's like no 30-minute support whatsoever.
Yeah, I think I marked my level off the 15 or something. That's a minor support. It's not even major too.
Trying to find somewhere to take profit.
Yeah.
Like this, yeah. And if you look at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 top wicks on the 30 minutes, it's been 5 pips or less, or something like that. 5 or 6 pips or less.
So what may happen is you can close below here on a 30 and then tap this resistance to drive down. If that's a small top wick, because we might even come back to like 1559, 516.
Yeah, this one was like 7 or 8, and then the last one before that was like 5, and then it was 4, and then it was 3. So like, I wouldn't expect like a huge top wick on it.
And if it drives, it drives.
And if it drives, it drives.
And if she dies, she dies.
Have you entered? No. When I'm in a position, you will see me in a position. You will see it all on my screen. Like the whole chat will be shitting their pants. You know, I will be in a trade. Wick's not here will be, I need a 30-minute bullish candle closure. You know, like we'll all be in the trade. Like you'll see it on my screen, so don't trip. I'm not gonna be like, yo guys,
Be okay.
I got an entry over here 20 minutes ago. Just move stops to break even. It's like, no, I will actually have it on my screen chat. So don't worry.
We're all gonna be okay.
No Fugazi.
Yeah, no Fugazi.
Fugazi, Fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy.
GG, please don't drink and drive.
It's not on the elemental plane.
Yeah, you'll see it in my face. You'll see my face, like, you know. You'll see a cookie.
Don has a spoon on his desk that he takes out, and he literally starts fucking.
Light dims, the music quiets, the chat slows down. A certain aura comes over the stream. You know when we're getting in a trade.
Speaking about trade,
you'll probably see a message from Ted going, "People are stupid."
Yo, when chat says I'm not gonna lie, what the hell?
I'm not gonna lie.
Nah, this is I will miss the trade. Bro, this is the face you'll see when I'm in a trade, chat. Don't trip, okay? You guys remember this days? Wow, everyone had their face in the chin. That's crazy. That thinking face.
The Bank of Russia will ban short selling on Russian stocks.
So you can't short Russian. You can't make free money.
We'll go to the moon.
Well, if you can't come down, the only way is up, right?
That's funny.
I mean, think about it. If you can't short Russian stocks, then the only other option they're giving you is to buy. So if you're losing money, you can't blame.
From here.
If you're losing money, you can't blame them. It's like, well, you guys told me the only thing I can do is buy, basically. And I bought.
You could just sell your stocks.
Just give them away.
I mean,
Yeah,
if you take out short selling from the market, like you're taking out a ton of liquidity out of the market, which is negative. It's a negative impact for companies that are public.
See, we had no idea how far this 15 wick was going to drive down. We just had an idea that it was going to come back up because the previous 15 had no bottom wick. So we'll most likely have to come back up and close bullish here.
Yeah, you see gold 15 drop. 15 that top. Because if that was a 30, oh man, that would have been so lovely. We can get a 30-minute wick fill though. It's okay. Yeah, it just flipped like a minute ago. I mean, we were discussing it, right? But we were talking about waiting for a 30 instead. And we have 7 minutes left, so let's kind of shiver trace and give us an entry.
That gold top wick, I think that was enough. That was really good.
Yeah, that was perfect. We didn't break the highs. It was like a nice like 25 pip top wick. It flipped bearish. It should have run down towards 23,600. Their 30-minute GJ is looking good though. Chat is looking real good. Perfect. Look at this wick fill. Just wait here, okay? Wait. Oh wow, 5-minute candle closes below here. It might just dip before the 30 closure. It's alright. We have 2 more 5-minute candles.
Video not playing.
Well, change the name from learn to earn to learn to go
learn to play.
Learn to watch. Go to you can't even hear me. What's the point? Chat, help him out. Gold got mugged on spreads. What's the spreads? MM, what's your broker? MM, I never asked you. What do you use?
Proprietary, huh?
MM the type to use Hugo's way.
He's in London.
No, it's in Dubai or something, right? Or Malaysia.
Thailand.
Dubai or
Thailand,
Thailand,
that's-
Malaysia or something.
Yo,
I
and then
swear he's in Dubai.
No one knows where you're from. No one knows what broker you use. I want your social.
What's your real name?
Yeah, what's your real name? And I'm exposed.
Damn, 25 fucking pips gold. Really?
Yeah, it might just dip off here. This 5 closing in about a minute doesn't help. This is gonna dip off towards 23 here.
You
Sorry,
bish.
TJ anyway.
You bish.
Look at that 4 account now, chat. So look, the 4 account rejected. It's back below the range, and the daily is about to flip bearish as well. So I mean, we should end the day off at like 1917, 1920 before the end of the session. I'm pretty confident in that.
It's gonna drive down it.
Yeah, you just need 30 closures here for positions.
That was a really good entry on the 15. Yeah, I would have taken it. I didn't realize it was split.
Well, you would have stall stops, no?
Yeah, yeah.
I think I had the support marked a bit differently though. I had it marked off of 30. I think the 15 was, I mean, I guess it was fine as well, but
We still, even if we closed below, like barely, but we closed below, and then the top wick was the dead giveaway. Gonna drive. Yeah, with the volume, 815, you have to have expected that. We might see like a pullback 830 to 9.
wait, what's your close gold? Nice, good stuff, chat. Yeah, a lot of people had positions there. If this finally could retrace back up a bit like it is right now, we can get a 30-minute wick fill here in about 4 minutes here. So if you guys jump the gun down here, damn, that's tough. 2 things can happen here. We can flip before this candle closes and end up closing around here, or we can close like this, and then the next 30-minute candle just fills the wick coming down.
This candle needs to close below 1928.75.
Yeah,
Or 35.
looking good, looking good, looking good.
Closes like this, I'd probably rather take gold than GJ.
Yeah, I mean, it might take both.
Why not both?
I mean, both entries, 2 entries in one chat.
I did not expect that big of a retracement.
Yeah, I mean, this flag can still flip bearish, and if it does flip, it might just drop all the way through. Especially if the 1 minute candle closes bearish here.
Oh my god.
Just wait 4 minutes here. 3 minutes and a half, right? Just get your positions ready, your sell stops, buy stops, and then just drag them down afterwards.
Your bias stops.
Your sell stops, sorry. No buy stops here. If I might just flip right though. If I close below the range, create a top wick. If it flips bearish, might drop it for a 30. But ask yourself now, like, do you want to take a position on the 5 on the last 5 minutes of the 30, or do you want to wait for the 30 and take a much better position without shitting your pants?
Oh, no GJ.
GG got retraced here. Yeah, it's breaking the lows. Not good, not good. See, Don, I told you it was gonna go down. Like, I told you, bro. Like, why didn't you listen to me? I told you, man. I told you.
You watching?
I told you. I just told you. 30 minutes ago. Like, I told you. I told you last month it was gonna drop down. Remember? Remember when I said last month it was at 1932, it drove down? Go sell stop that.
I don't know why you don't listen to me.
Yeah, like, I am the market demon.
The market messiah.
Where stop loss? Well, it's gonna have to be the current candle most likely, because the previous candle, the most logical stop loss was the 1 hour high. It's gonna be somewhere up here, right? So you can't have a stop loss of 50 pips here for a TP of 30. So you're gonna use the current candle stops. So unless we retrace a bit more, then we could use it. But let's see what happens here. If we can trace a bit more, how's the 5 look? I mean, this is good, but let's see. I mean, you're over at TP. It doesn't have to be at 1923. It can be at the day of flip, because you know the day account is on flip now at 1920, right? So you can even leave your TP towards those levels. Yo, watch the 4 come down, create a bond wick, and continue to fly back up.
Bruh.
I mean, they created a bond wick. We had no bond wick in hourly 30, and the price just came down and create all those bond wicks there.
Need a top wick.
Yeah, top wick. I'll give you the more direction. 45, 44, burnt out, let it go.
41, 42, 43, 44.
I'm gonna put my sell stop at like 1918 and just drag it up after.
Mine's 1916 right now.
All right, I'll put 1916 too. Watch it get activated.
Nice.
It's like,
Watch
oh,
1918 activate on one drop.
go straight down 1900. Oh, W. 1400 pips. Or 140 pips.
Closure, closure. Nice top wick.
That is not a nice top wick. That is not a nice top wick, man. To use that as stops. How big are stops in the Purse 30? 44. Man, I want to see us tap like 28 here. Yeah, if chat, if you don't get that, I'm not getting in this position here because I can't use the previous count of stops. It's gonna be kind of difficult.
You didn't let me speak. The whole point of the whole sentence was nice top wick and we're in.
You might get a 1 hour wick fill on GJ here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, nice.
Walking GG.
Chat, I'm gonna have a sell stop right here now on gold. That's the top wick, right? So 1926 is a sell stop here. All right. $19.26, basically the 30-minute flip. 1926.55 is my sell stop.
Flip or break out lows?
Break the current count lows, the flip basically. You know what I'm talking about, Wix, man. You always ask that question, like
It's
TP.
for the chat.
TP, I guess, can put somewhere down like a 1921. I guess.
That's perfect.
That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. And a stop loss is gonna be current candle high, so it's gonna be roughly like 22 pips. 1929.
The only thing that could throw this off is if, like you said, we'd start coming back up, reject, and closing above 1928.
If you break the 15-minute highs, you're likely gonna just reject to drive back up to fill back into the range, right? So this is good. This is good because the price rejects, it will reject now. It will just drive all the way back up, so it won't be activated. But if it rejects and if it's bearish, you should fill this wick minimum 14 pips.
Minimum. I'm gonna go break even at 20. Tip of the wick. Oh, that's not 20, that's fucking 13. Pips, yeah.
How big are stops? Wow, 20 pip stops, not bad.
For now.
For now. That's the most logical ideal area. I mean, if it breaks that, what are you gonna see? They're breaking the 1 hour highs, right? You shouldn't break that level here if you want to dip down. Nice early position today. You don't gotta wait till 11 a.m. like yesterday. Nice. Yesterday was brutal.
You know, chat, they're gonna be here till fucking 2 p.m.
Yeah, you know. Right, chat? You over traders.
All of you.
Someone's in? Oh boy. Cowboy entry.
Over Traders Anonymous.
1 minute breaks the lows here. You might flip here.
GG. They broke
It's
the
a new,
lows.
new thing I've been hearing from Dunn. 1 minute breaks the lows here.
It's true. Look, so the 1 minute is about to break the lows very soon here. If it breaks the low, the 5 minutes should start to reject. And yeah, there it is. The low's been broken. We're driving down now, and here's the flip.
We're not driving down. It's a 1 minute.
We're
We're driving.
Oh shit! Damn, I missed it. I wanted a screenshot 777 so bad, and then I missed it. I was waiting.
I was just about to say.
Yeah, I missed it. I'm like, damn.
Don't worry, guys. Will catch me when I get 4,000 more followers.
All right, guys. 11 of you unsub right now.
Unsub? No,
Unfollow. Here, let him get this picture, and then.
Nah, people just start unsubbing.
Don't worry. All right, here's a flip. Can we reject? I think your most conservative entry here is a sell stop below here. Like most conservative, but then again, you're missing out on this range here, which you can take advantage of on a wick fill. Because below there, you have a clean push straight to like 1923, 2600.
Come on, 1 minute. There we go.
Oh, 5 minute close bullish here, so this thing might flip.
You guys have runner targets?
Yeah, I might leave runners on a day flip like 1921 or something.
I got 1917.
What? I got
1921.13. Because for me, if the daily flips, it's gonna drive to the next support now. Not just the flip.
Oh, here we go.
Are we in? We in there?
Very
Not
close.
yet.
Very
Not
close.
Which
I
time
mean,
have been?
if you're not in, then there's no way I'm in.
I'm
I got
not
20. I got 26.38.
I got 26.35,
3-5.
but my spreads are smaller than yours, so.
Yo, so I
Yeah,
got the
keep
worst
bragging.
entry out of all of you.
This guy just has to let us know, man. He had to let us know one more time, right before the entry.
Can
Yo,
you
it's
break?
right at it.
I know, I had to break that 5 minute low.
It's right at it.
I mean, if 5 minute doesn't break the low, it flips bullish. Oh.
Yo, stop. Come on.
Are you in yet?
No.
Yeah. It's
But I'm like,
right at it. It shows
it was
green.
right at it.
Yeah, it shows the green thing like, oh, about to be activated.
When does it show the green thing? When you're like less than a pip away? Or
Yeah, like very close.
Yeah, it's like literally like under a pip.
It's under a pip for me, yeah. 0.1 right here. 0.04. It was less than 0.3.
I'm still not in.
How big are stops there?
Oh, yeah, I'm in. Boom.
Really?
Yeah, I just wicked in.
I'm not in yet.
21 pip stops. TP is gonna be roughly 27 pips. If you want runners chat, your runner's gonna be
Boom.
somewhere
It
down
just
here.
went down. How are
Yeah.
people not in? Look, it just
Now I'm in
No.
now.
2035 not in yet on Blueberry. Someone can concur for me too.
it went down to 36.
TD hit 3.3.
Very close here. Very close. One more push. Wow, how am I not in yet? That is insane.
Alright, I need to blow my nose before I explode.
Alright, here we go. Oh wow, not even in yet.
It's dipped even lower now.
1926.35 is my exact Blueberry sell stop. So if you're on Blueberry, oh there we go. I'm in.
Wow.
I'm in. Perfect. So
Fucking
chat,
volume.
I got in a sell here, chat. Sells got activated. My stop loss is a current kind of high right here, and my TP is gonna be roughly down here. I might leave runners towards 21, but for now, this is the OG trade on the screen. Okay. Basically, once price comes down, it fills this wick here, and basically gives like 10 pips. I will look to close half and move my stops break even, and then let the rest run towards my runner positions at 1921 here. Okay. So this volume should drive us down. Let's see if we can get a quick 10 pips here though. But stop loss is current 30 high. It's not the previous 1 hour high, because you know previous 1 hour highs are going to be like roughly 46 pips there. A lot of volume right now. so long to get into. I didn't get slipped too. The crazy part, it just wicked down and wow, I got in. No slippage. TP be the same as Don, just an idea. Yeah, like I'm looking to hold runners towards 21 because if you're anticipating this day candle flip bearish now, the flip is at 1920, right? So their price drives, it should just flip. Man, I would love to use the previous 30-minute highs, but stops are just massive. Or previous current 1 hour highs. Yeah, managing risk in a losing situation, chat. I'm gonna wait for this 50 and close there and see how we close. If we close like bullish, I might close half, because then we'll be creating some type of support here, right? But if it's a bearish candle, then we should just let it run. Should be fine. Yeah, the only thing I'm worried about here is this this thing breaking the highs and still respecting 1 hour to drive down. That's the issue. I may as well closer. Next breaker low should be it. Yeah, once you break this low, it should be a nice push down towards the 10 pip mark. I think I had like 6 pips there or 5 pips, I believe. I had like 4 or 5 pips there, approach. I think at the peak.
I had 8 and 3 pips spread, so roughly 5.
Looks like a little 5-minute onion.
Yeah. 5-minute top wick though, so Mike, come on, break that top wick.
Yeah, I see that.
I will say though, chat, like the 4 had no bottom wick earlier, right? And we kind of came down, create the bottom wick. So if we end up hitting stops, what's gonna happen is this candle's gonna flip bullish and it's gonna most likely drive up towards this resistance. And as it does that, the 1 hour we were breaking the highs, and then overall, you'll see this candle just drive all the way back up. But that's only if you hit stops, right? Our stop loss is here for a reason here.
It's just strange. Like, what the fuck?
But strange. What's strange?
I came down the way it roamed around entry, like wicked down 2-3 times, came back up, came down, then came back up again. Just it keeps flipping up and down.
Oh, I need to put my TP. I didn't even put my TP.
It looks pretty normal on the 5, like the way the market structure.
Oh yeah, no, just the erratic movements, the parabolic.
Yeah.
Yeah, because normally we just get a straight push down on the flips there.
Yeah, when you get like
volume
a
and it pushes.
20 pip top wick came down. We were expecting like the initial.
And it's a gold, like you get a 20 pip top wick, you'll drive for 30-40 pips, you know, maybe 20 pips.
Yeah, or at least 10.
Four hours gonna be nice too. The next 4 hour candle, if it closes bearish here, because if we drive down here, chat, before the 4 hour candle close, which we're anticipating price to do, like this trade shouldn't be longer than like the 9 AM candle. But if it does close bearish, this next 4 hour candle will be closing back into the range, and the next 4 hour candle will just drive slowly down towards the TP at 1918, 1920. But I mean, I want to be break even before a 9 AM candle, obviously, because the 4 hour candle's on pullback, and like I doubt we're gonna survive the pullback. If the 4 hour high is all the way up here, and our entry is here, and our stop loss is here, like the 4 hour candle might just do something like this.
Have a steep.
Yeah, it's gonna come up, create a steep wick, right? And as it does that, it's gonna be somewhere over here and drive down. So obviously, you want to be breaking beforehand.
Yeah.
I mean, did we re-break the lows yet?
No, it's been hovering right there, trying to re-break the 5 lows.
All right, chat, closing for it.
1 pip in profit.
1 pip in profit here.
Another dub. The streak continues.
The streak continues.
15 closing in a minute and a half.
Should I close Doji? Like if here's the thing, like imagine risk wise in losing situations, if this if our stop loss was up here, the 1 hour high up here, I would wait for the 50 and close and see if we can close bearish or bullish above this resistance or below. Because if we close below, this next 15 may still reject the drop down, right? But since our stop loss is there, I can't really do that because our stop loss is right at that resistance. So like what you can do, I guess, is close half if the 15 closes bullish, but I don't know. It's just with the 30-minute stops and not the 1 hour stops, it's kind of difficult to manage risk that way. People new in chat like, what are you talking about? Yeah, it's more of our advanced concept, but if you get it, if you've been here for a while, you get it. What time did we get activated at? Was it like 40? 5 minutes ago or like 10 minutes ago, right?
35
10
something.
minutes ago, no?
No, 37. Like 5 minutes ago. 7 minutes ago.
30, yeah, 37.
Yeah.
36 and 55 seconds to be exact for me. Doji?
Yeah, my close bowl here.
Oh jeez.
15 low top wick. It's gonna come down, create a top wick, and as it does that, if it breaks the low, it should be good.
Not bad. Open with no bottom.
Yeah, I said no bottom on the top. Because like 15 closes doji, right? Respect creating kind of like a support here. So this support might be held, and you might just hover within this range here. So the odds of this trade playing out went from like an 85% chance playing on the initial flip to like a lot lower now, because now think of it as this, chat. Like you have this range form here, you have support formed right here, and you have this resistance form right here. So with us closing here, bullish respecting that support, it's kind of just a range. So
What the fuck?
what happened?
Traders domain fucked us.
Really?
I just How the fuck did I just get closed out?
Really?
Okay.
It came
Traders
nowhere
domain-
near my stops.
Traders domain broke the highs.
Yeah, but
Really?
I had my stop like 5 pips above there because I was.
Spread's probably jump for you guys.
No, it's not spreads. The candle actually broke the highs on TD.
I put my highs on the Oanda highs. I didn't put it on TV highs. Well, my high is the same high as Oanda's Blue Bears. I might get stopped out here though, because this 15 just holding that support. Like my only thing here, chat, is like this 15 here may close bull, and the 1 hour may still close below, right? So if I had my stops up here, it would be a lot better probability wise, because you can still hang on till the 1 hour closes, but stops on the current 30, which is right here. That's it. Let's see what happens there. But I'm not gonna move my stop up. I'm just gonna leave it here. Worst case, we get entries at once the 4 account closes there in about 12 minutes. But currently in a nice in a solid 14 pip drawdown here. I don't know how you guys got stopped though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys.
The charts just look different.
Grab liquidity? I mean, it can, but it's like you gotta really survive this pullback and survive the next 4 hour candle since we're in a trade. Like I said, like as the discount closes bullish on your broker, because on Blueberry it closes bullish, you can just close half and let the rest run, because the probability is a lot lower now, right? The trade playing out. It's not like the initial reflip anymore. Let's see what it do here.
Oh, it came back and broke it even higher now.
Yeah, but didn't break the 15 highs.
Yeah, that's high.
That's, I don't know how you guys got closed up, because like it came like, even if like, because you guys got stopped up before you made the new high, and that was like,
I'll send you a screenshot. It looks like all way different.
But you guys
like,
place your stops on the highs, or like based off Owanda's charts?
you have to go.
I placed it on my high, but I'm accounting for spread plus another 2 or 3 extra pips. So I had this about 4.5 pips above the break. It went about 2 pips, and it had a half spread of 3.
The thing is like you can't do it like one way without having a negative, because if you do it based off Owanda, you'll miss an entry by like 5 pips sometimes.
Yeah.
So like you have to go based on the TD chart. Look at Corp.
Would you re-enter on the current candle flip?
No, wait for the
last 15 of the 4 hour.
Yeah,
I'm
like,
not gonna enter here.
this thing may pull back again. It may just come up to re-break the highs again. But since I'm already in it, it's like you might as well leave it. But if I was in the trade, I wouldn't enter right now. No, I'll wait for the hourly candle to close, and then once the hourly candle closes, the 9 a.m. candle will be your entry.
Let's hope Don doesn't get stopped out, and we could close over here for 9 a.m.
Breakout. Higher low. That trade was based off of what, the 30? FOREX, and then let's see what happens there. Could this be our second loss of the month, chat? This 5 is no bottom wick, so like it should come down towards the break-even market, man. Then where's 15? Sorry, it should flip. Chat, who here close half?
Chad, who here wants to close half but doesn't know how?
Close 3%, nice. Yeah, like the initial dip should just dip down. Oh, you're flipping bear again here. Let's see. I honestly don't think I'll survive this. It's like being logical.
Being logical, you just need to wait for this close. You're 9 minutes. As long as you close below, you're good.
Yeah.
The thing is the 4 hour pullback. We don't know where that's
the
gonna be.
issue. You know those miracles whenever you have the 4 count open up and just drops down? Yeah, you need one of those. No top wick on a 4 hour candle. But the 4 count might close bullish. Like if it doesn't drive here, it's gonna close bull.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be. How does TD look?
Not like that.
Yeah, let me see.
It's bearish. But it looks like it's gonna flip bull. Because
yeah, it looks like it's not flip bone to 4. Yeah, that TD 4 looks like it's
not. Wick.
Yeah, and tap like 937, right? Yeah. But if it does that, the 1 hour. Oh no, 1 hour is bearish. I don't know.
If it does that, you're gonna have to close above 1928.35.
Yeah. Yep. This
above
5
there,
this 5 came down, created a bottom wick for this 5 here, so now it's just pushing up. It may just feel as wick and hit stops here. Just keep me on real, chat. Just keep me on real, right? You can't mirror your bias. You gotta be able to understand these simple concepts. Like if you're in the opposite direction, what would you expect, right? This 5 no bottom wick, price came down, created a bottom wick, and now it's just pushing up here. But every survivor survive. Hey, what up, Adika? Yo, I remember you. It's been a long time, Addy. 8th of yours. Yeah. You haven't been here for a while.
Hey, 1300, all right? Get it right. What was your pick? 1550?
Yeah. Or, yeah, 1550 or 16. I forgot. Re-entering the pair on the 1 hour? No, so I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle to close and guys see how the 4 hour candle closes, because if the 4 hour candle closes like this, above this resistance, the next 4 candle may just do something like this and just dip up, tap the top of the range. If this one closes above, obviously, right? But if the 4-hour candle decides to close bearish within this range, there's still a possibility we may dip down because of the daily buys being like heavily bearish. So, but the thing is, the top wick, like our stop loss has nothing to do with the top wick of the 4-hour candle. It's 2 different candles, and you could easily break our current highs and still respect the 4-hour tops, or 1-hour tops are. And that's where you understand.
Looks like it's holding.
Let's see. I don't know. Probably went down on the straight though. We're from like 85 to like a 50, 60, 50.
Went to a 0 since I got stopped out.
It's so bad.
Usually when you guys get stopped out first on TD, I get stopped out as well. Even if it takes a long time, I eventually get stopped out. There's never a time where you guys got stopped out and my trade actually survived and went through. If your TD highs broke, my highs are gonna break very soon too, probably.
I don't think so, man.
Let's survive here.
Nah.
I really want this to close below, because if Don survives, we get another entry.
I want you to win. I'm here for the record. Not the money. I don't care about the money. I want the record.
Watch the last 5 minutes of 9 a.m. count. Just boop.
No, the 4-hour is gonna open because since it's bullish. You're gonna close below, but then it's gonna open with no top wick. It's gonna come down, make a bottom wick, put you in profit 10 pips, and then you're gonna close, and then it's gonna come back up. And then it'll go flip bullish, and then
it's respecting this shit right here.
5-minute closure.
Blueberry, why you do this to me?
Damn, Blueberry this month just took over in terms of like slippage and not slippage. Slippage has 1, but like spreads and all that. Like
this will be position number 2.
Yeah,
Blueberry wins. 2-1 Blueberry. Well played.
Well played. GG. It's a series of 7 though.
Did the 5 close above here?
The broker finals.
No, this 5 can still flip here, man. Tap into support. Could flip and just bump.
Bumpity bump.
Bumpity bump. Like, look at it. Look at it from the hourly now. Like I don't know. Unless we get a top wick at like 1928.5 and not break those highs. Three minutes strat. See what happens.
Don't.
Anyway, GJ. 30 minutes creating support.
Oh, that's a nice 1-hour wick fill, man.
Back.
Yeah, that's a nice 1-hour wick fill. Because now the GJ is gonna, yeah. 1 hour closes below, 4 count closes bearish, like back below that range. I think there's a range there too at like 159, 500.
Yeah, I just need to go create resistance somewhere for us and take it going back down.
Like there's like a support right here. Yeah. This next 4 count should pull down. But gold's gonna rip back up here, chat. Look at that 5-minute flip, right? So I discussed this. 5-minute create a bottom wick. It didn't close bearish. It flipped bullish. Very high chance we might just flip and drive up here. It's not a drive. No, it's gonna drive here.
No, you're still in.
Nah, the 5 broke the highs.
Did it?
Yeah, if I broke the highs.
Yeah, but he's got blueberries. It doesn't break the high till blueberry breaks.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm out. It broke the highs. Yeah, still
It's
there.
crazy. It literally gave him an extra 2 candles.
It's like
It literally gave him an extra 12 minutes of breathing room. What is up with that?
cause like yeah, this 5 here, like it was not a flip. It was like a bullish candle. This candle created a low, flip bullish, drove up. So I got out. Yeah, chat. Second loss of the month, I guess. What was that of the year? Sixth loss of the year. Got stopped out for like 20 pips there. 20 pip
14,
stops.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
I got 4 losses this month. On and off stream together.
I was hoping for like if we could have came down and the 15 would have actually flipped, because they flipped for a second, but then it stayed below. If that 15 could have flipped bear, and we could have gone break even, because that was my plan. If we can flip bear, go break even before the forward count closes, because we knew this next forward was gonna pull back.
All right, lock it in, chat. We got 30 seconds for GJ.
Yeah. I think you might need 3:30 or 4:30 now, or 9:30.
4:30? Oh. It's like, damn, that's a bit late, dog. Swap fees.
Yeah, you 9:30 here. Look, the 4 count created a bottom wick, and now it's just gonna flip back up. Look where the 4 is on close on gold.
Yeah, your 4 hours way off.
This forecast is gonna dip up now.
But the thing is, look, you're gonna get a wick, the same wick fill as we're gonna get a flip, 4-hour flip on gold on TD. GJ closed below.
Yeah, GJ closed below here.
GJ looks nice.
The hourly looks really good.
Yeah, wait for his top wick. If we can get like 19,600 and then flip bearish, that'll be my sell stop.
So
And then-
19 like it's gold.
Oh, 159,600. Sorry, 159,600. It's very rare we get positions off the rip after though. Like, it's very rare we get
Like never.
positions like back to back like that. It's usually an hour apart or something at least. Yeah, gold should pop up now, chat. Look at the 4-hour candle, right? This is the first time the 4-hour candle is closing above this range here. Wait for a top to form. As long as this flow gets respected, this 4-hour candle should fill this range. Should fill the
Yeah.
range.
You see how GJ's just tipping the wicks to the left? Might not retest 600 here. You'd ideally want it to retest the top of this previous candle's body. Yeah, somewhere there.
Yeah, I think on GJ, you would either want this top wick to come up and retest that like 159,500 level at least, or get like a bearish closure on like the 15 or 30.
I didn't go create a bottom wick.
Did it really?
Yeah, can I just tap that support
Oh yeah, not bad.
off of the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, there's no sells on gold right now, chat. If you guys want to sell, so you should not be in right now. There's no confirmations for sells. Like the 4 hours is heavily bull. There's no sells until you probably break below 1924 here. Up to the record? Oh yeah, the record's there.
Guess gold was lying.
What's up, Dante? Any trades? Yeah, I took a loss. Took a 20 pips sell loss on gold off this 30. That just kind of broke the highs again. So yeah, that was basically it.
Yeah, that's an 8-pip wick on GJ. Needed like 20.
I think the better buys on gold here, guys, if you guys looking for buys on gold, would be above here, 1930. Because if you break 1930, this is most likely going to be the bottom wick of the 4-hour candle, and the 4-hour candle should just fly up towards next resistance, which is 1933. Or even if the 1 hour breaks the highs too. Yo, did we create a topic on a forward counter yet on GJ? Oh no, we didn't.
Mm-hmm. We're creating one right now, 10 pips.
It's either get positions at 9:30, you guys, or get positions once you get a topic here on GJ.
I might spend the first half hour making this topic for the hourly.
Have that
And then if you
minor.
want to be a cowboy, there's gonna be like a 5-minute entry at like 159, 450, 500.
Have that minor resistance at 159.340. You're like a bearish closure below there on GJ. It'd be like a nice top wick, and then you get an onion going back down or a fake out.
Honestly, I just think if the 1 hour flips here, you're good. Just put on the 1 hour.
Mm.
That wick fell in gold. That was a bottom wick right there because that was nice. Tap the support, flip bullish.
Yeah,
Now
we're
it's
not on
driving
speaking
up.
terms.
We're not on speaking terms. Yeah, it should drive up here. There should be no one being in sells right now at all. It just doesn't make any sense right now. So that deal is over with the moment we broke the size.
We'll be on speaking terms above 1930, 1954. It's at 1934.
Chat, I'm not in positions right now. I'm waiting for GJ here for sells. This should be a pretty nice solid sell.
Might flip, yeah. Might not get our top weight. But if we do, we can be pretty confident.
What is that? 8 pips?
8, 10 pips, but regardless, like my confidence level in this trade wouldn't be as high if I entered it on this flip, rather than waiting for this 20 pip wick to 9,500, because at that point you've gathered all those orders and you've actually hit that resistance, and you've confirmed its resistance by rejecting it, come back to flip bearish, and you have this wick to fill. And if we take advantage of this wick, it's 23 pips, right? What was that? At least 20, 24 pips.
And there's also sells below 159.100 as well.
Yeah, I mean, and there's just range and
The entire moves that
there's
Don
range
Khan
to break,
taught yesterday.
range to breakout for me too. The issue is the 4 hour on Trader's Domain closed at a support, and now this could have been, you know, new 4 hour making a bottom wick, but we'll see.
I'm not on speaking terms with those charts.
How was your bias? Sells on gold when the day had made a lower wick was pushing up. My initial bias on gold was bearish, right? Because of the previous daily candle. So like this candle over here closed bearish. So this candle over here created a top wick, started to reject, and on a smaller time frame, you had a range breakouts. So I had every like confirmation for sells, but obviously it didn't play out, right? But again, like this is a trade that we would always take. It was nothing different from this trade, yesterday's trade, or the day prior's trade. Same trade we usually take every time, but like with the dynamic changes now, with the fact that the forward candle closed bullish, but before we took the trade, this candle was still open, and we were kind of flipping bearish, and we were kind of expecting this candle to close bearish and drive down. But obviously with us closing bullish above, it's like, well, high chance now we're gonna fill this wick and tap like 1934 here.
How often do we take that with the 4 hour being?
No top,
Being
no
bullish.
bottom.
Yeah, but like you could see all the candles had no bottom wicks before that. Like, yeah, you probably expect
Every
it to come.
candle during London that had no bottom wick, created before we drove.
Yeah, so you'd expect the candles to drive down and make bottom wicks for them. Yeah.
I mean, I say it all the time too. I said like it was still a valid point there. I was like, well, we would have seen us like if that forward candle was creating bottom wick to drive up, we would have seen it on a smaller time frame. We did see it. I would have said the same thing. Like if you break this high, you're gonna drive back up into this range, and that's why our stop loss is there and nowhere above, because we understood that simple concept, right? This is good on gold here though. On DJ, how big is that top wick? 12 pips. I want to see us push a bit more. 159, 514 for self stops probably. Yeah, it made sense, just didn't play it out, right? And that's okay too. Yeah. One five nine seven fifty pullback area. I mean, it can like look at the forward candle. This thing can pull all the way back to like 160 257, right, and still drop down. How many views we had in that trade there? I didn't check the viewers. I didn't know we had 1,500 viewers. That was insane. Watch opening for buys on gold. I was waiting for this candle to close above 1930 here. So the forward current created a bottom wick. High chance that's the bottom wick, but this is just a range here. And I believe once you close in 4 minutes, you should be good.
Yeah, so stops here on DJ.
Nice. Yeah, we're tapping these levels here. I may just place them now. Is there resistance here? Solid. Yeah, the 15 zone closed bullish here. It's a 15-minute starter play too, I guess. We've come down to Phil's wick at 159.0041 and then complete the range. Yeah, that's a decent wick. Chat, I'm gonna have sell stops here in GJ. Basically the same positions, but I'm gonna have them down at like 159.260. A little like a pip below the flip, basically. Same position as gold, just different pair, I guess. Same exact setup though. And then stop loss is going to be the previous 1 hour candle high for 38 pips. TP is down here for 44 pips. You can use the current candle stops if you want to. It's going to be 17 pips though. But the most ideal stops would be the 4 hour high or 1 hour high, which is up there. .268. Oh, about to be activated here. I'm in. I'm in, chat. So, gotta sell here, chat. Sales got activated here. Sales got activated. Stop loss is the previous kind of high, and TP is gonna be somewhere down here at 158.823 here. So, you have two options here. You can either move your stops to break even. Or not stops break even. You can either move your stops to the current kind of high or leave your stops up here. This is the most ideal stop though, the previous 1 hour high. Six, 4, 7. See what it do. It should come down to Phil's wick. I think that wick fill is gonna be roughly 20 pips. At that point, I'm closing 75%. But I believe once I get 10 pips here, around this mark, I'm going to go break even. And that's a break even point. Yeah, you just clean because look at the left on the forward candle. You come down for that wick, you should for the rest of the range. Your next support is gonna be down here. 15 is also going to close in about 2 minutes here as well. So the 15 close is bearish. This next 15 should just dive down towards the support. Wow, gold shot up. I feel the range, I think. I feel the wick, right? The 4-hour time frame. That's solid. This is all revenge trading. There's no revenge trading because we planned this trade like from 6:30, 7:30. It's not like we're saying, oh, just got in a buy, just got in a sell on gold. Now I'm gonna take a sell on GJ. It's like I roughly take around like 1 or 2 nudges per day on stream anyways, right?
We even discussed it, like which ones we're gonna take, and
yeah, it was way before this thing played out. Like from over here, we said how, okay, we can come down towards here, but if we close below here, we get entries, and we didn't get entries on the 15:30. We're waiting for the 4-hour candle close, right? And then that's what happened. We had the entries off the 1 hour. This is my second trade of the day, basically. How is this revenge trading? You guys are weird. How is it revenge trading when we planned to trade it like an hour ago? Right? Doesn't make any sense. You can even watch the breakdown from like 6:30 this morning. I discussed sells below 159.518. It's just me following my plan, right? So what if I wait an hour and I take the trade? It's not revenge trading. It's like it's just most times like we wouldn't get a trade for an hour after, but in this case, like we got a trade like 30 minutes right after the previous trade. Yeah. How much risk per trade? 1 or 2% risk per trade. That's it. It's only revenge trading if you make it revenge trading. Like if you truly feel like you're revenge trading, don't trade it, right? Just call it a day after that sell on gold and just, you know, move on to tomorrow or Asian session. But this is a trade that we've been planning for quite some time. Yeah, at this point, 159, 152, that's break even point. That's 10 pips in profit. We're not there yet, but we should be there very soon. And then roughly on the wick fill, we'll get 20 pips in profit. At that point, I'm gonna close half or 75%. So another 25% in my positions. Wait, so when was the last time we had, whose mic is that? Whoa. When was the last time we had 2 losses on the stream?
half a year. I don't know.
It's been a long time.
A long time. I mean, I don't come into it thinking, oh shit. Well,
Yeah.
I just know, like, you know, I'm pretty confident knowing that my next trade's going to be a winner, and it typically is. So, like, if it's a loser, it's an anomaly. If I lose 2, it's like, what? I'm overdue for some winning streak, and like, you know.
Someone's to add another position. If you want to add another position, add positions. Do you, brother? I just had that one position here. That's it. No revenge. It would be revenge trading though if I were to add and stack positions for sure. If I were to be like, oh yeah, I'm adding more positions here to revenge trade it back, then yeah. But this is just my second trade of the day. 40 pip stop loss to 20 pip target. No, target's down here at 43 pips. It's a 39 pip stop loss for a TP of 43 pips. I think what I'm going to do here is once you come down to re-break this low, guys, I'm going to move my stop loss from here down to the current candle, because if we're making new lows here on the current 4, this is a new 4-hour high. Go back on the 4-hour time frame. That's the high, right? So that should be the stops. Price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down if we re-break the lows. That's how I master trade. Three losses in a row. Where these are our trades. We took a loss on Friday, and then that was our first loss of the month, and then we took a win on yesterday, and then took a loss today. So I gotta update this thing again. Uh, 905 just sells breakout 1 hour or 4 hour? 1 hour. Yeah, risk management is subjective. Like if you guys want to, you guys can close, like, you know, you guys can leave it towards TP. It's up to you. It's like the reason why I'm doing this is because at these levels here, this is a minor support, and you can't ignore that, right? You have to take action at those levels. So you don't have to, but logically speaking, you should take action at those levels, because that's a minor support. At that support level, price to reject, fly back up. Who knows, right? But at those levels, that's when I prefer to close 75% of my positions. Our stop loss is here because this is when the trade becomes invalid. The moment we hit the stop loss, that's when it becomes invalid. It's not there for me to lose like a certain amount. It's more so knowing that the trade's invalid once that high breaks, because what's going to happen after? We're probably going to pop back up and fill the range up here for like 20-30 pips further, right? So there's no need to hold a trade past that resistance or past the high right there. Make sense?
That's why Swig's capping. I just saw that. Capping about what? Not taking losses. It's very rare for me to take losses. That's just being honest. And if I take losses, it's extremely rare for me to take 2 in a row, especially in one day. I've had losing weeks. I've had weeks where I've lost every single day. I've had, like, it happens. Like, no one's immune to it. It's rare for me. I have a pretty high win rate.
It's hovering. I don't think you broke the lows yet. I think you came very close, but
oh yeah, we came really close, but we never broke the lows, and it just keeps hitting it.
Yeah,
it needs to close below there.
Third minute is nice though if it closes bearish like this.
Yeah,
930 NYSE volume. Like, look at the 3rd minute huge rejection. Resistance. Possibly if you close bearish. What I will say though, chat, if you do close bullish on this 3rd minute candle, I mean, your best choice to look at the 1 hour candle after that point. Go look at the 1 hour candle, because that 30 will not be looking good.
I was wondering what you were gonna say.
He put himself in a corner for a second, and then he was like, let me track back a little.
Nothing good if it does. Your best choice is to ignore it.
Your best choice is to look at the 1 hour candle, because you can just trust the 1 hour time frame at that point. I think you reversed the lows, or you're about to again.
It like taps the lows and then
there it is. I think it just broke it. Nope, didn't.
No, it didn't. It's tap dancing.
Yeah, 190 is low. It keeps touching it.
181. Yeah, breaks the lows, guys. I'm gonna take action and manage risk, moving my stops to the current 1 hour high probably.
Take action.
I already did that.
Oh,
there it is. There's the lows broken. So it should pop down towards the 159, 148 mark here.
There we go. There we go.
I'm still not at 10. I'm still not at 10.
Should be like 7, 8, right?
I'm at 8, 9.
I don't want to close at 10. Stops the break even.
Yeah, I think shouldn't flip what's the drives.
Maybe 15.
I'm current candle stops. That's it. That's all I changed.
What's your TP?
Real like full TP is 158120. I'm more optimistic than you guys, I think.
What was your entry? I think you had a better entry, man.
No, I had to work. I'm 252. I had to market execute.
Yeah, I had to mark execute too. Cause I was setting a signal. I was doing a bunch of stuff out. It was just crazy for me.
I was trying to type out a stop loss on a sell stop, and then I saw the number, and it was already at 260. I was like, no.
Don't break even.
All right, there we go, chat. Yeah, I'm moving my stops to break even here. This becomes a risk-free trade. This 1 hour candle shouldn't flip both. Wants to drive up now. We should just be able to run down pretty nicely. So closing half my positions right here, and I'm gonna let the rest run towards TP. Okay.
W's.
Yeah.
Anyone?
Wait, I want to see runners here.
My day, Don would do it right away. Don,
Back in my day.
he's slacking.
Damn, I should have held for this full 20.
Fun.
Fucker.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Chat, I'm gonna close 75% here. All right, at 18 pips here of my positions. All right.
That was funny. I want to see this. See how this closes before I close anymore. So you guys see the 15? You see that 15 support?
Yeah, there's like a support here in a 1530, so it might struggle here, but once it breaks that 30-minute low, oh boy, it's going straight down.
I got support drawn right there. If that 15 closes below, I mean, clean. I don't want to do with that top wick though, however.
Yeah, there's no risk here. This should be good. She a runner, she a track star. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. Yo, Marco, where's your cam off? Where'd you go?
Oh, I didn't even realize.
Yeah. I didn't realize your cam was off.
Not bad. I had it put down.
Nice.
Anything.
Well, chat, not the cleanest day, but we made the best out of it, right? It's like, that's the best we could have done. There's no like emotions attached to it. It's just like, okay, we saw this, we did that, saw this, did that. Probably shows the first trade didn't play out, but this trade, I mean, it happened to play out, right? And that's it.
Why are you talking like that? Did we break even?
No, I'm just talking like that because chat was just saying like, yo, you're revenge trading. You know, like this isn't it. I'm like, man, you know, it's like, this is a plan, right? This is a plan.
I can get a fucking runner for once in a lifetime, yo.
No, we had runners last week. Where were you?
Where was you?
Where was you?
Yeah, I was gonna hit fucking stops here. Irritating me.
You know, Wix hasn't spat wisdom in a while.
Yeah, honestly, it's been hurting to talk. Like that's why I've been a little.
Oh, that's why.
I got stitches in my mouth. I told you.
No wonder Wix has been like, yo, what the fuck? This count's not dropping. He's been pissed.
Like, yeah, I'm in pain and I'm pain pills. I'm not on pain pills, but I'm on ibuprofen 800.
What's that again?
Motrin, Advil, I don't know.
Did they give you what do you call it? Did they give you?
They tried to offer me Percocet, but I can't take Percocet.
Did they offer you what's that stuff the stuff that disinfects or shit? What's it called?
Oh, mouthwash?
No, like it's a pill.
Oh, antibiotics?
Antibiotics, yeah. They give you that?
Yeah, I'm on antibiotics right now too. It's called.
Damn, so that wash should be hitting different.
Yeah, bro. And the thing is, it's like you gotta eat like healthy shit. Like you eat fried shit, your stomach's gonna be fucked.
Yeah.
So I haven't been able to try nothing. My mood's been down. Drink clean Wicks. So
I mean, does it still hurt your mouth though?
Yeah, like if I talk or move a lot or chew, my mouth hurts.
Damn.
All right, next week. By next week, I'll be back to my yapping self.
You might get a WAP play here.
I wanted to just close below.
Just drive.
Because we're gonna have to deal with that 30 top wick.
Yeah, I'd rather have close below and 30 topic here and dip. Marcus, you might get what you want. Let's see how the 1 minute looks. Oh, 1 minute broke the lows. It might close below actually here.
30 celery re-entry.
If it can push down here, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have a top wick right here.
That's
This is look. Go back to the 1 hour time frame. Go back to the one. I'd rather get a WAP than a close shot support though. If it closes like above here. Yeah.
Yeah, WAP will fill the bottom of the strange before driving up.
Yeah. Yeah, chat. We gotta survive this top wick here. If we survive the top wick and we flip bearish, we should be good. I don't know.
Not too much momentum. You top wicking.
Yeah.
Are you a break even with your top wick? Hold the line.
Oh.
Hold the line.
It's got to flip here. It's got to flip.
You mother.
Right, chat, because it opened up, no bottom wick. You're expecting to flip. Here's the thing, you might get stopped out at break even here, but you can still respect this and you can still dip. And that's the thing. But like, I wouldn't enter now at all because look where we closed there. It's just a disgusting closure.
We need a spirit bomb, celery bomb.
What's stopping you from keeping this at the from trailing the stop at the top of the wick instead of?
Well, I took that loss earlier, so it's like I don't want to put. I don't want to risk like. Oh, we might be good. We might be good here. 15 flipped. I don't want to be yeah, 15 flipped. I don't want to be like adding extra risks. It's like it's a risk you trade at close to 75%. Just let it run. If it hits break even, then that's it. Like that's my trades for today probably. Unless I hit you up by 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
If this breaks the lows, the 30-minute lows, I'll move stops like above the current 30 and then do that.
I mean, what you really want here is to break this low. You want to break these lows, but that's a push here with this.
Yeah, it's a lot to ask.
Especially with the fact that we came down grab bomb, we now it's on a flip. Support might just be held holding. Stop the cap.
Not gonna lie.
I'm in chat. How's your day going today? You know, we had one loss, one break even, or one loss and one trade.
What's missing.
What?
That's what's missing. The chat. I had the chat closed out.
No wonder the vibes weren't there for you.
The vibes aren't there.
Yeah.
Like something missing.
Yeah. Pretty heavy support on 30. Pretty ugly.
Uglissimo.
Can you reject here? Can we reject and trickle down, or will we hit break even? But here's the thing as well, like I want to talk about this as well because a lot of people get confused. It's like a lot of you guys are talking about like RR and like why we're doing what we're doing. It's like this is why. Like this is the exact reason why we closed 75% there. Just because you have a TP, it doesn't mean it's gonna get tapped. Like that TP, the markets could give 2 cents about your TP. It's just a round number, round price, right? So you want to take action at these certain levels here, and that's what we did. Because now, like, let's say price were to flip bullish now, what's gonna happen to this candle? It might go up, who knows? It might reject, create new resistance, right? But why not just cancel this ideal out, because this trade is invalid now if it were to flip bullish, and then wait for a new confirmation. Maybe 10 a.m. you might get a onion player or something at resistance, and you might drive down 10 a.m. instead, right? So like, why not just manage risk, take what you can, get out the trade, and then wait for a new setup, and then take another entry. It's like overall, you're just adding probability in your favor. That's it.
See if we get this 1 minute closing bear right now, the next 1 minute we'll drive down.
5 minutes start play.
1 minute range.
King James, you're still down for a day? Yeah, you're not making the playoffs, buddy. Yo, LeBron, you saw LeBron's dunk the other day? That's actually insane.
Oh, who was that? Oh, I'm Kevin Love.
Yeah, Kevin Love.
Fire.
No, actually, King James. Wait, why'd you ban him? I was just kidding. I had an Asian trade during Asian with the Signal channel, so technically I'm at break even.
I'm a break. Yeah, I was gonna say I'm at break even for today. With the Asian trade and this trade.
Yeah.
What I realized is your haters really wanted you to lose 2 trades today. Like, you could tell, like, they were like very
ready. They were ready. They had the cameras ready. 4K.
They're like, you're revenge trading. You're down. Your arm. Like, they were really mad about that second trade. Like, they wanted you to lose today so bad. You could tell.
Luhu Zahar.
Now LeBron, yeah, LeBron, you saw LeBron's dunk yesterday on Kevin Love. Like, it was actually insane. Like, this guy had like a 50-inch vertical.
LeBron.
Yeah,
It's crazy. It's like 40, and his head was still above the rim. Like, he's guys.
Yeah, but like he's still 6 foot motherfucking 15.
Bro, doesn't make it easy when you're 37. Crazy. Look at Zion Williamson. This dude already can't get his head above the rim.
Oh, what's going on? Where has he gone? Because I've seen a bunch of New Orleans games and he's not in any.
bro, he's
like-
eating Cheetos in the back room.
And Kyrie showing up to the game.
You did him like that.
Kyrie got a thing for fined for being in the locker room, or Brooklyn got fined for letting him in the locker room of the Nets game because COVID
But he showed
protocols.
up as a fan.
Yeah, he can show up as a fan though, but wait, so you can show up as a fan and not have?
Yeah, he came to watch the game.
Yo, is there still vax passes in Brooklyn or no?
I don't know. I gotta ask Marcos.
I'm not sure about
Hold the line.
it's like constantly changing. You never know around here.
Because in Canada we have no more mask restrictions. Isn't that crazy? Canada and mask in the same sentence? That's crazy.
You can thank the war.
Almost break even.
I don't know, man, because right now Canada closed bullish as support. It might come up and retest the highs again. Yeah, chat. Looks like we might get stopped at break even here. I don't think we're gonna survive this, to be honest. It might be another push at 10 a.m., but I mean, oh, maybe you might survive. I spoke too.
Hold the line.
I spoke too soon.
Oh no, you didn't. Keep saying we're not gonna survive. Keep talk dirty to me.
Just gotta make it out of this little funk right here, and then we're home free.
Too funky right now, GJ. Too funky.
Chat, how'd you guys do today? Break even, losses, like wins? What'd you do? I know a lot of people caught like these gold buys here, which is pretty nice. A lot of people had tons of positions today. It wasn't the cleanest day. I will say that it wasn't the cleanest day. Like that first loss, we did our best, but lost 300 in loss. Yeah, if you didn't have a third trade, you might have been in a loss today or break even. But what you don't want to do is revenge, right? So like if you're in this trade and you came down 20% profit and you didn't take profit,
yeah,
and you're leaving your original stops, that's what revenge trading is. But if you're following the same constant plan, you're not revenge trading, right? You're just managing risk and taking the same positions.
Some people, what they'll do is, because I used to do this, is like, let's say you lost like $1,000 on the gold trade and you're up like 800 on GJ. You're like, I'm not going to close half here because I already lost 1,000. I want to be up for the day. And then he regresses all the way back to almost break even, and now you're freaking out. You gotta treat every trade independently.
Four wins, 1 loss. Yeah, that's good. Not gonna lie, just closed your jaw and saw 2 pips. You closed?
Not gonna lie.
Do you have the same fixed loss as for GJ and Gold? I do not, because stop loss on Gold is usually a bit bigger. So I'll go a bit half risk on Gold, basically. Like my loss size usually half. Like if I'm up my loss size this year 20 on GJ, my loss size on Gold is peaked at 10 this year. Oh yeah, I haven't been up my loss size actually. I was waiting for quarter 2 to up it. But Chad, this year, basically, every year I stick to a certain fixed loss size. So last year was 5 and 10s. So 10s on GJ, 5 on Gold. But this year I'm going to double it, right? So I'm going to probably increase my lot on Gold to like a 10 and GG to 20s. But it's going to get there slowly towards the end of the year. But right now I'm using like 5s and 6 most of the time for Gold. Or sorry, 5s. I haven't been even using 6 on Gold. It's like a fixed lot. How did 30-minute candle open? Oh wait, this is a 30-minute candle. NYC, where's the push?
5-minute onion?
Potentially.
Needs a top look. There we go.
Oh, 5-minute hustle resistance. Oh, we might be good here. Because we break the high, you're break even. But you break the high, it's gonna fly up. That's good.
Yeah. I would almost consider moving it down, like just
Like 3 pips.
Yeah, but watch
yeah,
it,
like
watch
3
it.
pips.
Watch spreads get you or some shit. You're like, ah.
No, keep in mind I'm at exactly 1 pip in profit. 0.7.
Always are.
It's like, well, what's the extra $4 gonna do for you?
More than you know.
You're right.
Peace of mind.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't take your trade. That's okay. I mean, a lot of people didn't take the gold trade as well, right? It's like when you come to the streams, your plan shouldn't
Your
be
own comfort level, right?
Yeah, you have your own comfort level. You shouldn't be forcing positions because I'm taking positions. That's like, I'm just here to take my trades. These are just my trades. I'm doing me. You gotta do you. If you have the same idea, same analysis, then take it. If not, then don't take it. Like, but you can't sit here and blame me for taking positions. Like, these are just my positions, right? My actual positions. I'm just live streaming it for you guys. That's it. That's it.
Huh?
Top weight created. There's no volume here right now. It's just so dead during NYC. It might pick up at 10, I think, but are we gonna survive this 1 hour candle?
There was that speech, and whatever that speech was gave us the last volume for the move, and then I don't know if it's still going on. All right, it's over.
Just look, turn on the 1 hour time frame, put your trust in the higher time frame, and just
But what about the 1 minute?
don't trust it.
What about Jesus?
Personal preference.
Personal preference.
Did we get subbed out? Did it happen?
I'm out.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're disappointing.
I know.
Maybe. Didn't break the 5 highs. Came close. Uh-oh, Marcos. Marcos closed the cap. I said, don't move your stops to don't move your stops to the 5. Just leave the original stops. Marcos doesn't get stopped. Watch this thing run down.
You know what? I close 80%. It's fine.
You know, I want this trade to hit the break even so we can both be on fair terms.
No, I want this to hit 100 pips. My target was 158.
At least hit 100 pips.
Like, I don't want any deep runners today because like the bias is still bullish. The G can still flip here. Tough.
The bullish is bias.
Yeah, bullish and just bias. I think what's happening in gold here, it's just in the range. I think the bias for this next couple of days are just to be the opposite. Like yesterday we were bearish, it should have been bullish today. Tomorrow we're bearish. It's gonna be in a range, trickling up and down.
So ugly though.
And it's gonna get smaller and smaller, like volume. It's gonna look like this. Eventually be low specs like that. And then eventually it'll break out, fake out, and then it'll just continue down a certain trend. That's usually what happens. The fake out will start the volume. And then we get a continuation. Man, this trade feels more painful than gold's trade. On a gold trade earlier, can we say this was a range one fake out? Yeah. Well, when we took the sells, the daily bias was bearish, right? I was bearish off the daily and 4 hours, so it wasn't really a range one because you can take sells anywhere if you're going with the bias. But if the day was bullish, then yeah, that's a range one fake out for sure. Yeah.
So you're just gonna close like that with no.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna drive up. Look.
Nah, man, 15. Oh, 15. Look at 15.
Oh, wow, you break you, bitch.
It's gotta break this low here. It's gotta break 121.
It didn't. It's although the 1 hour. Just look at the 1 hour. Look at the 30. Would you just look at it?
Oh, 30 is nice. Wow.
Just look at it. Whoppity wop.
So what's gonna happen? All right, I'm gonna go make a smoothie and I'm gonna come back. If it's not break even, or
You're gonna toss.
yeah, something bad's gonna happen.
You gonna flip a table? Yeah, I feel bad for Marco's chat. We should all just chip in and fucking go fund me for Marcos's trade.
Are you enter a trade? Yeah, we got it in quite some time ago. We're break even here. We closed partials, and now we just got runners. If it runs, it runs. The worst thing that can happen here is we hit break even. That's it, though. All right. So you break the lows, you did, right? Okay. But 15 on top wick.
We got low. We just this fucking 15 is looking ugly.
Ideally, man, it's just gonna hover here. Like it might just bounce until you break this low here. Like this low gotta break.
Keep looking at the one. Keep looking at the one, chat. Don't let the demons. Don't let the little red guy in a fucking tight suit on your shoulder sway you into the fire.
You got the angel and demon.
Fucking flick him off of there.
Could you watch the analysis from Discord? Yeah, I got you. All right, so let me update the signal channel. So there's a trade taken today. 322.23. It was gold sells negative what was it, 20 pips loss, and then it was 322.23. GJ sells, it was 18. Oh no, it's 15. I caught it a little late.
Oh fuck, we hit break even.
We did? No, it didn't.
Yeah.
You lied to me. I'm like, there's no way. Like price logic didn't make sense. It breaks there. That's 30 my drive. Uh-oh. Ball play.
You know, every time you say that, it pulls back. I'm getting.
Mountain 2023. For real.
What's target here? 820, right?
How long did it take before you got profitable? The moment I realized I gotta stop asking and start doing. Because if I really wanted to become a successful trader, I would do anything in the world to get better each day. And once I realized that was it. Didn't listen to nobody, didn't look at nobody, just trusted myself, trusted my own sample sizing, my own back testing. And from there, it was like lovely.
Big
Wait.
brain.
That was it though. Don, keep quiet. All right, I'll keep quiet. If you guys want the spreadsheet, by the way, just do exclamation point journal or trades in the chat. A link should pop up to it, and you guys can make your own copy and do just share your shit. I might go to the Leafs game tonight, man.
Is there any support to the left here? Like if you go further back.
Where? Honestly, man, this 1 hour closest bearish like this, you should drive down. Like, there's no support. If anything, you have a recent support right here. Like this one right here is made, but overall, we should mirror this candle here to the left.
Here's what we have. We have the advantage here of the 30-minute candle, the top wick. Right, so if we... Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Listen, Blues Brothers. Yo. I'm gonna go get my snowboarding goggles, dog.
These runners better hit, man.
What runners?
These runners better hit. When I put these glasses on, it's serious time. These runners better run.
I know what runners you're talking about.
Hey. Can you play She's a Runner, She's a Track Star? Sure.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Should I rate these runners, man? Don, is your potential about the gold? Pardon? Yeah, repeat that question. I'm not sure if I understand it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Damn, somebody got timed out. Oof. Don't spam. Oof.
Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram, Don. Some glasses on.
Where are your glasses? Fuck, I don't have my my thing glasses no more. My Celine ones. Here. What are those wicks?
Per soul, something like that. Handmade in Italy. They feel heavy, like. Wait, I don't know. Weird.
I go to a Leafs game tonight, chat. Depending on how Gigi put, if Gigi his TP, I'm going to a Leafs game. If it doesn't, I'm not going.
If it doesn't, you're grounded.
There's these seats here for hella cheap right now. I'm eyeing them. It's like 2 tickets front row. Like, oh shit.
$4 bills.
Yeah, like that, like the prices are like usually 800. It's a shit game though, but it's a generation game. But it's like,
We're blind traders. Everybody wear glasses.
Should be good against the Devils. Are you going, Shane? Are you from Toronto? I might go. It's my third game of the year. No, every time I go, I lose. Like, it sucks. The New Jersey Devils are not good. New Jersey Devils are not good. They're last in the league. I might go to watch what's that guy's name? Jack Hughes? Jack Hughes?
The 90s was their decade, and then since then they haven't been good.
No, remember what's the guy? Brother?
Brodeur.
Holy
he
shit.
in the 90s.
That was their era. That was the 90s?
I think he won 3 cups in the 90s, I think.
Yeah.
Or maybe 1 and it felt like 3.
The new Leaf jerseys. Oh yeah, I got them. I have a Leaf jersey. Oh, I don't have a new one. No, that Leaf jersey. That's like some Justin Bieber collab, I think. Do we need to? Yeah, to become a successful trader, you need to wear sunglasses. Yeah, I saw jerseys.
Let's go, Rangers.
Capitals? Yeah, OV slacking. Good morning, controller. I just started streaming. How do you make it so your chat disappears at the top? What do you mean my chat disappears at the top? I just kind of add chat to it. No, I don't have my chat just is there.
Yo, how many times are you gonna keep testing? Huh?
You know, this 1 hour candle might be it, man.
How many times are you gonna keep retesting this fucking? Oh. Let me just close the tip of this wick.
30's gonna close right below, little gladiator candle.
Don't you gladiator me right now?
Let me
It's been a while.
remark this candle up, this chart on gold here, because we might get some more positions on gold actually today. The original buys were above here, right? So the bullish is biased here. Range 2 breakout above 937 to 30 pip range going up. It's not bad. Yep. Or even above 1940, I think. Never mind, this is a little choppy here. That's very choppy.
Bloody choppy.
You know what I could have done today? I mean, similar trade to the one on Friday, I guess. It's like the bias is bearish today, but the structure going up was bullish, like overall beforehand. So like what we can do is wait for a range 2 breakout for sales, even if the bias is bearish. That's what happened. That's what happened on Friday as well. Cause then sales would have been below here instead, below like 1924. And it would have been below these levels here. It would have been a lot cleaner. Let's see. How is your break even not hit? Well, I had entries here at like 260, basically. 258, 259, 260. I honestly thought it would hit. Like I was 99% sure it would hit the moment you had this wick up here. But I guess we just rejected this resistance and she had runner, she had track star, man. That's why.
Wow.
There you go.
Wow. Watch, no bottom wick right now.
Now you're good.
1 hour has a bottom wick, so we should be fine. Unless it just trickles down to
Yeah,
1959.
it's just gonna trickle down to it and just. At which
Sorry,
point
just look at the
on?
4 hour. Why are you looking at the 1 hour still? That's a dead time frame. Or more of a 4 hour trade.
Just go to. Do not go to the daily. Whatever you do not go to the daily.
No, daily's chalked. 4
No,
hour. Your entry is the 4 hour flip. Just stare at the 4 hour. Don't even stare. Just turn it off. Go gamble. Come back.
Degenerate stuff.
What do you think, chat? Gambling stream? X
Yes.
Crash? Just play Crash the whole time?
I can see you doing that. That
Yeah,
should be a stream for you.
I left gambling in 2019, man.
Should be a stream for you. Vicious
I don't know
Fox.
how you found it that early, bro.
Bro, I found it since I was a kid. Like, keep in mind, like, I'm Viet, right? So it's in my blood growing up.
Is it?
Yeah, like, all Vietnamese people just fucking gamble, basically.
That Yeezy shit that you showed me when you were doing with
Like,
the sneakers.
that was
that's
probability,
fucking nuts.
though. That was more probability. That was like waiting for a
That triple
30-minute
fuck,
closure
that's
above the
nuts.
range. Yeah, that I went extra deep in, though. I actually did analytics for that. That was different. But, like, casino gambling, like, never again, chat.
Here you go.
This is the
30
look.
minute,
So
no
now we have the
bottom.
advantage.
I'm
Advantage
21
over
years
30
old.
minute.
What did he say? Might just close your runners here.
Oh, my run.
Ooh,
Just gonna look at
You
this
open on
4
this.
hour.
12.
What's gonna happen here? Find out in the next episode. There's no wick to fill. It's just like support formed. You know that there is someone who copies your post from IG and poses as you and tries to scam people? Yeah, I know. I can't do anything about that. There's like tons of accounts like that.
There's many people like that.
It's just social media. Like, I just gotta accept it. Like, at first it was annoying, like, but it's like I can't do anything about that. Like, I can't control people from what they're doing. Like, a lot of people, like, even like the bigger celebs. Imagine like LeBron James or something. Imagine the fake accounts he has, right? It's like,
One goes away and like 5 more pop up. It's never
yeah,
gonna end.
it's never gonna end.
Scammers are relentless.
And the bigger
Get
we
yourself
get,
a
the
check
bigger you
mark.
get, the more accounts you're gonna get. They're
Get
gonna
yourself a check mark.
copy you.
Blue check mark.
Nike check mark.
You should just walk around with one over your head.
Oh, it might be good here, man. Watch this thing flip. Oh no. Oh, it might be good here, man. Wix 9, Marcos. You guys still in, Marcos?
Gosh.
Marcos, remember we had the argument, that discussion about moving stocks to break even or a pip and profit?
And I'm always the one who goes break even, and Wix is always the one who's a pip and profit.
No, but didn't you move your stops to like the 5 and a high?
I'm still a pip and profit. You
I was
just moved your stop.
I was a pip and profit.
All right, I'm 0.7.
I was yeah, exactly 0.7. This guy.
My stop loss is 159.259, and it didn't get tapped. It's at 0.6. I'm sorry, 0.6 in profit.
Won't tell me where I got tapped, but oh, because my entry was worse than his. That's why. Because my entry was 252 and my stop loss was 2.
Yeah, my entry was
stop loss
265.
My stop loss was 0.5 pips in profit, bro. 0.5. I probably still would have got tapped. Let me check.
I might need a VA, man. I'm getting a lot of DMs every day. It's actually crazy. Virtual assistant.
Yeah, I don't see much ranger.
Yeah, I don't as well. Just runners. What up, Dave? What up, Dave? Is my stream okay now, or is it still broken?
I think you're good. You had 1,500 viewers.
I think it fixed itself.
Or is it still broken? It's broken. Broken.
I'm surprised you don't trade US 30.
broken.
I do trade US 30. I used to trade US 30. I stopped trading it. Just stuck to go in GJ, but maybe in the near future I'll return to it. Can I join your Zoom? The only way to get access to the Zoom calls, you're enrolled to the course. So only course members have access, or if you're a mod.
You get jumped in.
Yeah.
Jumped in. Yep.
Spreads got you.
You can get jumped in with spreads. If it breaks, we should take an entry. If it breaks the low, we should take an entry. No, not at this point. You actually wanted, if you want an entry, I think you wanted to close bull confirming some kind of support and then break below that support. Right now, we don't know where the range is there.
If
Like-
you could form like this, support, resistance, and then like have this bullish candle close above the range. I know it's weird asking for it, but have it close above the range, and
Come back
then
down.
yeah, like have a 30-minute candle close below. So like 10:30 would be your candle probably, or 11 a.m. and you should get continue down. But I don't know. It's like it's weird here. This is where you should technically just sit out and wait for a meta confirmation. It gets very tricky here. Very, very tricky here.
Third time you say that today. It gets very tricky here. Damn, gold. Damn. So look, we closed above range.
Gold buys I said earlier. I said closure above. It was above this range. But you need a closure. There's no buys until you close above. Right? This is a nice talk on a 1 hour candle. There's no volume here though. It's just dead. It's dried off. I think we're coming to an end of the volume after 11 p.m. It was a good week, but these markets are gonna shift.
Yeah.
$500 a month to join a Zoom call? No, it's 500 lifetime. It's just one payment. There's monthly fees. Signals, yeah, but that's a different story. So you know I made this website? Fun fact, I made this website. I think this is my best page, the single page. Of all the pages I have, this is my best page.
I remember that.
Mm-hmm. How much to chat, Ted? $3.99. Hit him up.
Right, not.
What did you go for? Graphic design. Well, if you hit break even here, what are we gonna do?
Wordle.
Are you gonna call it a day?
We'll call it a stream.
Because I really see this forward candle flipping bullish and end off closing above that range to continue up again. Looks like we have
Like gold.
tapped. I think G tapped the day support, right? It's gotta tap the day support. Right here? Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense why I'm struggling here. Dilly's still bullish. It's fine support. Might get stopped out here. Gold cells? I don't know, man.
How about new?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, what is this? A fake out now? It's not the cleanest price action today.
Price break.
Like the 4 hours bullish, it filled the wick. Like you're going against the 4 hour trend now. It's a bit different now.
Yep. B.
Yeah.
Reality.
All right, Marco. So you saved a lot of time. W.
You guys are out?
Finally, we're out.
Oh no.
Oh no!
I was actually
suck
just a
again.
visionary chat. I got out knowing that I was gonna come back.
Usually it does though. It's like, see, like every time someone gets out first, we all get out. It's never like runs down unless Switchline closed by accident.
It is very rare that like someone gets stopped and everyone else gets it.
Yeah. Go buys on the flip. We close above the range, but yeah, you flip here. What's gonna happen? You're gonna tap this range here. It gets very tricky here, right? Very tricky wiki. You don't want to be in a tricky wiki situation. Tricky-wation.
Definitely calling it.
Calling it at 10 a.m. You just want to gamble, don't you?
No, bro.
Calling it at 10 a.m. You want to gamble?
I swear I gambled for one day. This guy's like, you have a gambling addiction.
You were sitting there yesterday going, go ahead. I want to see. Go gamble.
Marcus, he was like, who was thinking flip bullish? Why do you have the sunglasses? I couldn't see. All right, so what's next here? Okay, so what you have here is the 1 hour candle. I think the only sells would be on the 1 hour candle 11, but I don't know if I'm staying to that long chat. And GG here, it looks like I found support. It will most likely pop up here and tap these ranges at 159.518. All right, so
if we break above there on the next candle and the candle after that comes back down below it,
I believe you get a fake out, you get some buyers going back up because the day bias is still bullish. You know what I mean?
yeah, but then you need it to come back up even higher. The fake 15951 151, yeah.
Gold came up, tapped that 4 resistance. It's just, it gets tricky here. Like honestly, like if you want better positions today, if you want sells on gold, just wait for this little breakdown here at 26, or wait for this little break at 25. Those are your sell options. But from here till the next ranges, it's gonna be very tricky here. It's gonna be very choppy within these levels here. So I'll wait for that if I were you guys. I don't know. People are gonna say 15-minute fake outs here. I might just call it a day, chat. I mean, there's not much here. Not much at all. It's a good day though, I guess. Like, you know, at the end of the day in like break even mode.
Hide in chat. Use are hidden.
Yeah, not bad. Month slow down a little bit, but it's okay. I mean, it's expected, right? Volume's gonna die off eventually. But hey, I mean, first month, January 8 pips, February 148, March 300. So the best. April should be pretty interesting. We have like 7 days left in March. April is the start of quarter 2, and quarter 2 should bring in a shit ton of volume here. I just hope we break out on this day on this data range before then, because man, this is tough. This daily candle is tough on gold. It's very choppy. Yeah, calling it too, chat. Let's do word over real quick though, and then we can just hop off. All right. Our tradition.
Trade.
Trade again.
That's
Trade always.
Always trade.
Trade. Okay.
It starts with an R. Can't be the second letter. Rupee again.
How? It's
I
4
don't know.
letters now. Oh no, P.
Can't be range. There's no A.
Is that spell rupee? Or is it 2 P's? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't want to guess rupee. It can't be rupee.
Yeah, no, it can't be it, and you're wasting a letter.
Score. Could be score.
Please be a score. Nope.
Nah. So bad. So bad.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking. Like rinse. Oh, there's no S. XRP. Bro, it's not a- Oh yeah, that could be it.
Huh?
No, the R can't be second to last.
Oh wait.
Ends with an E. It's got to be I something IR or RI something, right? Or maybe an O, but
No, it can be IR.
it could be
No. RI. Like,
Rin- It's not rinse. What's another word like rinse? It's hard because I can't see what letters are left. I think it's RI.
what do you mean you can't see letters are left?
It's too low.
Really?
Yeah, for Zoom.
Well, go on YouTube, bro.
No, because I'm not looking at the chat.
There's an app
There you
that
go.
says hi chat.
Oh, I'm scared. There you go.
No, here. I did it. Check Zoom.
Yeah, good. R I.
I see gold cells. I don't know about you. I'm Okay, I got this.
I think we should just do rupee. At least we'll know if the R and the U is in it. You go rupee.
Nah, I don't want to do rupee. What's that a word I guessed that was decent?
The R can't be second, Reza. Go R. No, the R can't be second. Go like something IR. Maybe PIR. PIRPUR. What ends in an E though, like that? UR, no.
R, okay? Starts with an R.
U,
U.
Don't cry.
N or M? Oh, you keep putting the R second.
Garoon.
It can't be second. Oh, my eyes.
Ooh, this 15 just dipped. Wow. Wow.
There you go, range. Oh no, there's no A. Come on, go rupee. Just do it. Let's see what it is at least. We can see what else is in it. There you go.
Oh my god, what does that do for us?
P U R.
We know the R is in the middle here.
Yeah, so P. It's got to be like.
So, yeah, so we know P.
Puree. Oh no, it's not puree. Damn, that would have been a good one. There's no second E. Curse. There you go. There's an S.
No
Oh, no,
S.
there's no S. Damn it, Reza. You always do this.
Purge.
Oh, purge. There you go.
There you go.
It's always the fourth one.
Yeah.
Purge.
Damn, gold came back down.
Yeah, 50 man little top wick though. I wouldn't have even attempted anything.
About to break the previous hour.
My day is about done here. Chat. Purge. That's good. Good guess.
Not bad, not bad. That was a tough one.
Man, we got everywhere on the fourth try. It's
Because we got weird letters. We got the E, the first, no, the E at the end is the worst letter to get.
who guesses trade? Trade's the worst guess ever.
I know, but that's what makes it fun.
Next time we don't guess it, that's gonna be the word.
Imagine.
Piece okay.
We need another like FX related word to go first.
Devious. All right, guys. Thank you for participating today in today's pip count. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna call it a day here. Gonna call it a day. Had one win during Asian, one loss during NY, and one win during NY. That was my day. All right. So yeah, I know I sucked today. Yeah, chat. Overall, I mean, it's been an okay week. It's been a kind of iffy week, but we have Thursday and Friday here today. So just go and enjoy your day today. If you're still here, which I feel like 80% of you guys are gonna overtrade today, but if you're still here, I wish for the best today. Hope you guys come out on top. But yeah, my day is done. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Love you guys. Peace out. Have a great day and go eat some food, touch grass or something, man. Peace out, bruv.
Then go touch grass.
Yo, Wix. Chat. Now that you got the fake people out the way, let's go and trade gold. All right. So wait for a 30-minute candle close below the range, and you should be good to drive down here. All right.
Top wick.
Yeah. Wait for a tall wick, and then you should be good. Chat. I know 80% of you guys are still gonna be here. I'll catch you guys on Discord. If you guys haven't done so yet, go join the Discord server. You guys can overtrade there, but not only can you overtrade, you can overtrade with other people, so it makes it more fun to overtrade. All right. So yeah, catch y'all.
This guy.
I know you're staying hard at these cells right now on gold. I see you.
No, I have to blow my spot.
Like, how can I pay you back for this wisdom extraction? Huh. Can't believe someone said I revenge trade today.
Salty.
Me revenge trade? Not gonna happen.
Yeah, I told you they were mad that you were like thinking of winning after losing.
How dare you? How dare you?
How dare you make back your gains, your
They
losses?
wanted you to be a loser so bad. They're like, yes, he lost.
Chat's like, mic is on. We know, chat.
We know the mic is on. Trust me, we know the mic is on. Yeah, chat. You guys were mean today, man. I need an apology. Our boy GJ. Man, I discussed earlier, man. Just wait for closures above 159, 518 here. Don't get caught in this range here. It's gonna be okay, okay? It's gonna be okay. We're all gonna be okay. Special access to Machine Gun Kelly. What am I gonna do with Machine Gun Kelly?
Someone said add a 1 week ban on newcomers. Just a 5-minute delay. You have to be a 5-minute subscriber or something like that.
Yes, sir. It's raining pretty hard outside, man. No wonder we took a loss today. The weather just not acting right. Gold's very choppy today, bro.
But you have that a resistance shot off support 1 hour. I see.
Alright, so we're back on stream here. Damn, still have 450 people here. That's a lot of people. It's getting better. People are getting more loyal each day. It's like you gotta build it up. It's like, let's see who stays. One day I might do a special stream, and you know, who knows? I might even like just.
It's like you know the end credits in Marvel?
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Got him.
You sound like my neighbor. And your neighbor must make a lot of profits.
How do I sound with this mic on?
Hello, hello. Oh wow, that's deep. That's a deep voice, man. Holy shit.
Alright, guys.
That's more like it.
Reverb. Whoa. Alright, guys. Peace out.